Guys, can you hear me? Guys, here we are. Let's see. How are you guys doing? What do you think about the little countdown that we have? I think it's awesome. Aloha! What's up? Hope you guys are doing good. What up? Let me know. Let me know how we feeling. I'm away for a few days and I come back to this. Yes, sir. Yes, bro. It's awesome. Hope you guys are doing good though. Welcome back to the live stream, the daily live stream. We've been live streaming every single day for the past month, almost a month and a half now. Almost. But we're going at it, guys. I'm doing good, guys. By the way, thank you for asking. Any day above ground is a good day, as you guys know. Marco, hope you're doing good. Makazi, hope you're doing good. Peace, Nil. Glad to see you here as always. Reener, welcome. Issue, welcome. Whelan, of course. You guys are awesome. Appreciate every single one of you. Brother, yo, what's up? Are you good? Let me know what's happening. All right, so for today, let's go over the bias here, guys. What is my current bias for today? We have the CPI coming in soon. I think personally we're going to look for potential longs here today for the Nasdaq. I would like for the Nasdaq to go lower, go against the current trend, and then I look for the longs. So I want to trade below 6. I'm going to question how far we're going to reach down. That's my main concern here. We also have Asia low left open, but you know, they need to leave lows if they want to go higher. So I think this might be a static low, something they're going to leave for as it is. But I would like to see price to come back into the current day range to the downside for the continuation play here. That would be like something I would be looking for personally. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, guys, right? That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to go to the downside, potentially get below the 50%, get somewhere in here, and then we look for the longs, right? So I'm going to just mark it out that potential buy zone is going to be below us, right? And we will wait for that, and we'll have to see. Maybe the CPI is going to do it for us. And the CPI is going to sell it to the downside, and then we get the actual long opportunity. We'll see what's going to happen. Cooking with the grease. Nice. Hope you guys are doing good. Sup, fam? Sonar, hope you're doing good, my friend. Hope you're doing good. Thank you for tuning in. Anyone in GC? No, I didn't enter the GC. I had the GC longs this morning, by the way. So I longed it down here. And I sold it off, and then it just went bazooka. But I had a really I had a good trade on gold. I had a really good trade on gold. But yeah, let's see what happens though. Because right now we swept Asia highs. If you look at the dollar is actually buying itself up. We still have those relative equal highs to the upside on the daily. And at 99.9 or 0.4, that's the NFP unmitigated high. So I think they want to go back there, to be honest, for gold, for dollars. So if that happens, you would assume that gold could go down. But gold is so strong at the moment that I'm like, I don't really think I want to short into this unless we get like a really clear directional move. John will come back one day. Yeah, let's hope so. Let's hope so. All right, we're back in business. Let's see what's going on. So what's your bias for today, guys? Let me know in the chat. I will make a little poll here for you guys. Let me know in the chat what you guys' bias is for today. Are you long biased or short biased? Question mark. Long. And we have short. Let's see. Let's see what your guys' bias is for today. Gonna be interested to see. Gonna be interested to see what your guys' bias is for today. Well, so we have longs. Longs 86% right now. What's good, brother? Still holding a gold and BTC longs. Oh, nice. I'm going through it. Yeah, today is just an up market. It's an up market today. If you bought, for the people that bought today, this morning, I sold it to the downside. So I showed it in the group as well for the people that are wondering. So in the group, if you want to join the best Discord community, make sure to tune in. It's the trading society. But what actually happened this morning, I tried to short it to the downside. I shorted it from 2 o'clock, so I shorted it right here after the sweep of Asia highs. And I want to target it back to midnight. But it didn't happen. I took it off a little bit beforehand. Like I took like 2 positions off and left 1 running. So that one got stopped on break even. And then it just went up. Some people actually bought it afterwards, which is really nice. Well played. Really, really nice of you guys. But yeah, I missed the entire move to the upside, guys. I wasn't anticipating it to be this drastically already. Like I thought it was gonna stay around a little bit before it went. But it just went, guys. It never came back. Hi Thomas, I sent you beautiful greetings from the Czech Republic. I hope we have a green day today, and we're doing well. Yes, sir. Life is good. I'm green overall already on the day. I like both. Yeah, that could also be the case here, right? You don't really know with the CPI. CPI is gonna be a major news event, guys, so it could go both ways. But regardless of whether or not the CPI is gonna play out for us today, we do have a giveaway today. All right, we do have a giveaway today. I'm gonna give away some CFD accounts today. Are you guys ready for that? Some CFD, some free CFD accounts. Like I told you guys, we're gonna do giveaways on a day-to-day basis. You see what I'm saying? Day-to-day basis to make sure that everyone here in the chat has an opportunity at winning, and you can, you know, like basically almost trade for free. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the whole point here, guys. That's the whole point. So let's try to get it sorted today. We're gonna go into the stream a little bit, and then eventually I'll put out the link, so everyone who's here on a day-to-day basis, of course, has more chance of winning. You see what I mean? We're not gonna just give everyone the chance. We need to give the real people the chance here. You see what I'm saying? Ah, nice. So we got Wheelon actually took in the long here. He took the long, well played on MNQ. Really nice, bro. Really nice. And we got Daniel killing it as well. Look at Daniel. Daniel's killing it, bro. Like this guy is a machine. And Adrius, by the way, Adrius is also killing it. Look at this guy, bro. Making 10 bands almost in a single trade here. Congratulations, really nice. And then afterwards coming with like a ruthless, straight to the point essay about how you need to stop being a bitch. And you need to look in the mirror and ask yourself, are you really, really here to win? Or you're just here to participate? Really nice one. Really nice one. Straight to the point. Straight to the point. All right, let's see. Let's see what we have here for today. Let the CFD come to Papa. Yes, yes, let's hope so. All right, let's hope so. All right, let's see what we have for today, though. Let's see what we have for today. I got myself a coffee. Make sure you get yourself a coffee, guys. And we're gonna go over the charts here. So for MNQ, like I said, I'm looking for potential longs here. So what could be the play for the Volks? If the Volks wants to back us up, we would have to look for lower prices on the Volks, which is reasonable. All right, if price actually wants to come up a little bit, I wouldn't find that crazy. And then we should have a flip forming, right? So we have a retest above the current day high, and then we look for probably the yearly open as our target for the VIX. For more downside potential, and that wouldn't be crazy. If you look at the overall market for the VIX at the current moment, it's been selling off drastically here. So MNQ then rising would be definitely possible. If you look at it from the higher time frame perspective, it would be crazy. But the CPI, how many points is that? I mean, it could if it wants to go to all-time high today, which would be crazy. All right, I'm not anticipating that to happen. But we'll see what happens, though. You know, you never know with the CPI. The CPI could be either it's nothing for some reason, or it's like fucking insane. Okay, sorry for my language, but we'll see what happens here, though. We'll see what happens. And let's have a look. So if you look at the dollar as well, so if the dollar wants to continue lower, that would also benefit us when it comes to MNQ here. We do still have, like I mentioned, that high above us, that 830 high from the NFP from Friday. If they come back into that, we'll see what happens from there. We also have some relative equal high stacking to the upside. They might want to just sweep this out. It looks really nice on the daily time frame. It looks like it's stacked liquidity, but we'll see what happens though, guys. Right? No one actually knows what's gonna happen next, so we're just gonna try and play the odds here. We just have to wait for the cards to be dealt, and we need to have the best possible location for entry. So I'm not gonna enter here. I would like to enter lower, Let's see if that wants to happen though, right? Let's see if this wants to happen. If they want to come to the downside before we're going to go to the upside. That is the main concern that I have right now. That is the main concern that I have right now. Do they go from here, or are they going to come down once again first before we have the actual opportunity here? That is the main question. And it's not even full port Friday. It's not even full port Friday. You're right. Good morning, Thomas. Sanda, hope you're doing good. Oh, and by the way, guys, I got a new book today. This book, I received it yesterday. It's from Caesar, right? Actually, awesome. I read already like 10 pages. This book is crazy, guys, right? I already can feel it. I can already feel it in my bones. This book is 500 pages of readable pages. It's going to take me a little while, but this one is going to be good. I just finished the book of Alexander the Great, which I think is awesome, by the way. Yeah, and now we're going to go with Caesar, and the next book that I will purchase about Napoleon, right? So I'm studying all the greats here, guys. I'm studying all the greats. Big Deal in the chat room. Hey, Big Deal, hope you're doing good, bro. This guy, Big Deal, this guy, guys, like, he doesn't understand that my future wife is on this app, bro. He shares a picture of himself looking like some crazy model, this guy, right? Standing next to the pool. Bro, this guy doesn't understand that my future wife is on this app, for example, right? He's already stealing her. Just for what reason, bro? For what reason? Like, I thought we were, like, you know, brothers, but it is what it is. It is what it is. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. All right, let's see, though. Let's see what's going to happen today. Let's see. Let's see what happened today. Join, by the way, for the guys that want to, join the free Discord community. I send you guys a chat link right now. You can join the free Discord community. And, yeah, let's see what we have for today. Let me check something. Let me see if this actually works. Let me see if this works. Does it work? That's a good question. I don't think it does. I don't think it does. No, it's not working. Okay. No problem. I will fix it later on. For the guys that are wondering, by the way, the IQ Capital is giving like one of the best, if not the best code in the entire, or the best discount in the entire prop firm industry. So you get 80% of instant challenges for the guys that are already been trading for a little longer and want to avoid trading the eval stage. Basically, you can instantly get a funded account and instantly get paid out once you reach the target, right? So it's a really good one. I would go for it if I were you. Also, yeah, the cost to return is really high, which is really nice. I was away for a few days and now we have a banner and giveaways. What happened, Tommy? Yeah, everything changed, bro. Yeah, no, so I'm working together as an affiliate partner and a verified partner with IQ Capital. IQ Capital is founded by one of the world champions from the Robbins Cup. So that's what I really liked, you know, a trader that has built a prop firm that actually knows how it is to be a trader and also wants to help people, right? That the firm is completely, like, the whole meaning of the firm is to make good traders, right? Their actual plan to elite traders is also really big, which I really like. And they're working together with Fabio Valentini and Andrea Simi, right? From Deep Charts, which is fucking awesome, right? It's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, those are like G's. So I'm like, I love it. I love it. We end on the call. Here we are. You know what I'm saying? And of course, I told them about the giveaways. That was really important to me. So that's why we're doing daily giveaways, Benz. Every day. Every single day, my friend. Oh, yeah. And you can get a $9 account now if you want to as a first-time customer offer. You get $9 for a 50K account, which is amazing, by the way. You can also get a 10K account for $1. This is first-time offers, guys. Okay, first-time offers. But you can get it for really cheap if you want to. And the best, I'm pretty sure TJ is, you can use TJ for the best discounts. The code TJ if you, yeah, if you make your purchase. All right, let's see what's going to happen, though. Are we going to go higher instantly from here, or are we going to go lower first? That's my main concern here. I would like for it to go lower first. Yeah, I don't think the wording works, guys. I need to change it. I have no idea what I did wrong here. I don't know what I did wrong here, guys. It's not working. Maybe it's in small letters, guys. Maybe it's in small letters. Maybe it's in small letters. Otherwise, I have no idea, bro, to be honest. But it's okay. We're gonna figure it out. One day. One day. One day at a time, guys. One day at a time. We're doing it, though. We're doing it together. We got 71 people watching. Hope you guys are doing good. Stick around for today's stream and have a chance of winning a $50,000 CFD account. We're having 2 winners today. For the guys that are interested in wanting to win a potential account here today. For free, of course, for free. All right, let's see what we have, though. Let's see what we have. Let me actually put the text on. So, all right. Let me put this on. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, this is bad. 1 sec, guys. I can't see anything. Alright, let's select the color here. Boom. Boom. Put this right here. Boom. Alright. We're just doing it. We're doing it. Boom. Done and loaded. Boom. There you go. Awesome. All right, let's see. Hey, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. All right, so we're looking for potential buys lower here, guys, when it comes to gold. Yeah, I told you guys before, it really depends on what the dollar does here. It could also be that they want to sink it lower a bit. But overall, I'm also looking for longs here on gold. I just don't see the option to buy it from here. So I need some lower prices for me to get involved. It's just how it is, you know, like I need to see some lower prices. So we have to wait and see if this actually occurs. And then, yeah, we'll see what happens. What is your thoughts about the CPI news? Yeah, I never really predict the CPI, bro. I never predict the CPI. I just read whatever happens. But I wouldn't mind it going against the current trend for both for gold and for the Nasdaq to then look for the continuation play, right? So the CPI being a fake move and then moving higher, or it happens before the CPI. We still got like 2 hours before the CPI, so we have some room still. Like it's still some hours. It's pretty good to see what happens here. So that would be my overall goal here, bro, to see that happen. And yeah, we'll see whether or not this is the case, right? CPI is gonna be drastic for sure. So let's see if they want to go down a bit for us and give us the potential entry here, guys. That would be highly appreciated if they do that for us. Wouldn't you guys agree? Wouldn't you guys agree? For GC, I'll watch the New York session to see if there's a sweep of the London low to go lower. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if that's the case. We'll see if that's the case. 72 people watching. You guys are awesome. If you guys enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the likes. That would be highly, highly appreciated. And if you don't like the live stream, you don't have to. But if you support the live streams, make sure to smash up the likes. That would be highly, highly appreciated. So what is your guys' thoughts on the CPI news? Let me know in the chat. Write out a message. Let me know what you're looking for the CPI and why. Maybe you have some fundamental analysis that you could share with the chat. We're here to help each other, of course, guys. You guys have to remember that, right? We're here to help each other. So maybe you got something. Maybe you got that hidden gem that could change it all. If that's the case, share it. Looking to stay away from the CPI. Yeah, that's also an option. That is also an option, Adrius. That's also an option. Bro, yeah, silver is dangerous, big deal. Silver is really dangerous. Yeah, for the guys in the chat, if you're trading futures, avoid silver by all means. If you enter with silver, yeah, you're gonna have a rough time. Silver is really expensive per tick, so you're gonna definitely feel it if you're wrong. You're gonna enjoy it if you're right, but yeah, you need to be right, of course, right? Silver is yeah. Silver is silver. Let me state it that way. The silver was so bad that they had to ban it on like some firms to avoid people using it to full port their accounts. That's silver, guys. You know, silver is insane. All right, let's see. Yeah, I would like to see some lower prices here, guys. That's what we're looking for here. Cam Jam, good morning. Good guy, good morning. I wish I could subscribe to this channel twice. Voltaren. You can, bro. You unsubscribe and you subscribe again. I appreciate that. Nah, I highly appreciate you, bro. Thank you for tuning in. I bought one 10K account with $1. Nice. It's a really good offer. I mean, why not? The 10K one is pretty good. It's just, you can also trade, for the guys that don't know, you can also trade crypto with IQ Capital. So you can also trade crypto if you want to. If you're more like the meme coin type of guy, you can also trade crypto. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna set up the giveaway, guys, so you can sign up. For the guys that are new here, you have to sign up through the giveaway if you want to be a part of it. So I'm gonna set it up for you guys so you guys know that. We'll be giving away a CFD account today. So for the Forex side, for the people, if you want to, you can join in. It's pretty easy to set up. Just trade it through MT5. So I'm gonna set it up for you guys now. And we give everyone the option to play along today. Give me 1 second here, guys. Give me 1 second. Let's see. I'm setting it up for you guys right now. All right, let's see. All right, click the link in the chat if you want to be a part of the giveaway. It's a free account, guys. You can win it for free. We're doing daily giveaways, like I told you guys before, right? Daily giveaways. I wanted something for you guys, and I'm glad I can do it. So for the guys that want to tune in, yeah, sign up to the giveaway. I send the link out now in the chat, and you should be able to just simply click and be a part of the giveaway here, guys. Like I said before, if you want to be a part of it, you just simply have to sign up. There's no cost attached to it whatsoever. You just sign up. And once you win the giveaway, you'll get granted access instantly in your dashboard. This is the most simplest and easiest and fairest way we can do it. So that's how it works. You can sign up for free. Doesn't cost you anything. We already got 6 people signed in for the giveaway. And yeah, let's see what we have for today here, guys. Let's see what we have here for today. I'm gonna put it here on the side so it's visible for everyone. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Let's see if I can put it in here. Let's see. Can I put it in here? All right, here we go. Here you go, guys. All right, here we go. We got 9 participants. If you want to join into the giveaway, press the link in the chat. You'll gain free access to the giveaway here, guys. All right, let's see what we have here for today. Are we going to get price to go lower first, to go higher is the big question here. I would like to see that happen. We already got 42 likes, by the way. We're only live for 30 minutes. You guys are awesome. You guys are fantastic. I highly appreciate you guys. It's actually crazy. Thank you. I don't know what to say. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. Let's see. Let's see if we can go down and then go up again. That would be the nicest thing here. Sell or buy on gold? That's a good question, bro. Personally, I would like to see price go lower to go higher. All right, so I'm overall long biased. But yeah, we'll see. Thomas, what's your email? My email. Why? My email is in the YouTube description, bro. I have a gift. Okay. Yeah, my email's in my YouTube subscription, my friend. Let's see. I'm saying dollar pushing up, the gold not moving, perhaps not good to touch gold at all. Yeah. Yeah, we'll have to see, bro. Like, I personally think that dollar's moving up because they want to take that high. They could also take all these highs out. We'll have to see what happens here. Just have to see what happens here. Am I willing to short gold? Like, not necessarily, right? Overall, I think it has some downside potential. So maybe we'll have to see, you know? Like, let's say they break below 6 and it shows me some clear directional bias to the downside. Maybe I consider shorting gold. But then I would short it with, like, really low size. And then we'll see what's up. Let me also share this link, by the way, in the announcement section here, that everyone knows that they can sign up. Alright. Alright, let's see. If using OBS that has an image overlay, if you want to use it. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. I appreciate that. That's actually pretty sick. Yeah, thank you, bro. I like that. That's actually awesome. Yeah, I appreciate that. That's sick. Let's have a look here. Look at this. Giveaway at 100 likes. Yeah, I will definitely use it. I like that. Thank you. let me put it in here. Give me 1 sec. I think that's awesome. Thank you. That's sick. Give me 1 sec. I like it. Give me 1 second. Let me see. Oh, damn, bro. Look at that. That's awesome, bro. Look at that. Look at this. Is it good readable, though? Is it good readable? Is it? Let me know in the chat. That's actually pretty sick, bro. I appreciate that. I can remove the text. Let's see. I'm wondering. Maybe you need to, like, give it a background. I don't know if that's possible. Because I don't know if this is readable enough. I'm not sure. Let me know if this is readable. I like it, though. I appreciate that. I think it's awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. Giveaway at 100 likes. Boom. Straight in your face. If you want to win the giveaway, tune in, guys. We got 22 participants right now. Feel free to join in. Sure, I'll make a background. Yeah, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate it. Can I insert it on the TradingView background? What do you mean? Like, actually? Oh, you mean like, oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. It's just like, you mean that I copy it and that I then put it on the background. That's what you're saying, right? So I would just do something like this. Like sis. I see. Yeah, but the problem is if I move away, it's no longer visible. You see what I'm saying? I actually like it. This is like the shadowing stuff. It actually comes forward even more. That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. Alright, we're having a sell-off here now. We do not have a top wick though. It's a bit of an iffy situation here, personally, guys. I think I prefer to just wait for the longs overall. We're getting a buy up here for the dollar. Yeah, maybe I can give it a try, but I don't want to give it a lot of risk here, personally. If I give this a try, I don't want to give it a lot of risk. All right, let's see. We got 25 people in the giveaway. If you want to tune into the giveaway, make sure to sign up through the link. Zachary, thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate that. The reason we're growing is because, you guys are here on a day-to-day basis. So I appreciate all of every single one of you is making it work here, guys. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate that. And let's keep growing our little community together, right? Like, I mean, why not? We're doing a great job here. Yeah, you're right, Zakaria. Thank you, bro. You're right. Thank you for keeping me in the loop. Yeah, we do have some news coming today as well. Check the Discord, guys. I posted a fundamental scenery. Oh yeah, thank you, Daniel. I totally forgot. I'll make a video. I'll make a news post channel for you, bro. I'll make a news post channel for you. I will make one for you, bro. That's gonna be better. Maybe, Daniel, if that is working, if that works for you, make like a roadmap on like Canva or something like that. So if you share it, then you can just share the picture of it. You see what I'm saying? Because this is almost unreadable, right? It's really hard to read this because yeah, it goes all the way to the side. You see what I'm saying? So if you can, maybe if you want to, right? You just do something like that. Yeah, sorry guys, the IQ Capital thingy is not working as of yet, but it will definitely be sent out here in a second. It will be sent out. It's above you, Crypto Retro. Above you, the world. There you have the link you can use for the 80% discount, bro. Morning, Tom. Morning, chat. Yo, good morning, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Hope you're doing all right. Yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. Am I willing to give this a try to the shorts? Potentially. It's a bit of an iffy situation. But if we're gonna buy up further here for the DXY, I wouldn't mind trying to short this. I wouldn't mind trying to short this. Like I said, if I short this, I will short it with I short it with a little bit less. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I accidentally entered way too much now. Alright. So I entered the short position here on my phone. So on the CFD side for gold. So I shorted gold right now. I'm in a short on gold, guys. It's the low size though. It's really low size. Well, it's big size actually. I accidentally entered with one lot. Give me one sec. That's way too much. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm trying to not screw myself here. Give me 1 second. Wait. Hold up. Alright. Give me 1 sec. Alright, so I'm in this short play here for gold. I'm in it on my phone. So you guys can see here. So I'm shorting gold at the moment. I'm gonna go for a really small target here, though. Let's see if this wants to play out for us. Yeah, let's see if this wants to play here, guys. Alright, so we got 26 people tuned in already. Hope you guys are doing good. If you want to be a part of the giveaway, then yeah, participate. The link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. I'll send it out again if you want to participate in the free CFD account giveaway. The link is in the chat to sign up. We got 92 people watching. We got 60 likes. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm currently in this short on gold. But I'm trading it on my phone, just so you guys know. I'm not trading it on the future side. I'm trading it on the CFD side at the moment. Make sure you keep your risk tight here, guys. Make sure to keep your risk tight here. I'm waiting for M&Q to go lower. If that goes lower, then we will definitely be executing this one on the future side here. But we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Why am I don't understand. I risked way too much for some reason. Give me 1 second. Alright. This is better, I guess. Yeah, okay, this is good. Alright, let's see. Alright, yeah. Oh, I just closed on everything. Alright, we're back. I don't know what's happening today. I'm making so many mistakes. I'm like pressing random buttons on my keyboard. Alright, awesome. Yeah, so yeah, I just shorted this one, right? I shorted with low risk though, guys, right? Really low risk. And my target would be back towards midnight and London open here to the downside. So I'm anticipating a really small move here. Not looking for anything major. We could still reach back if they want to. It could also be that this is the bottom wick for the up move. I'm just anticipating some selling pressure here back towards these open and closes here. Purely because the DXY is currently moving higher, right? If the DXY wants to continue moving higher, I'm anticipating this to happen.
All right, chat.
Voltaire just sent me some in the chat. Let's see.
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
Woo! Oh, yeah.
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal.
Whoa,
we got this,
baby.
chat. Time to celebrate.
Let's go.
Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win.
This is how we win.
To the moon.
Yes.
Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
We're crushing it. I'm going to save this one. The moment we hit TP, that's the one we're going to bang out here, guys. That is the one we're going to bang out here. That is crazy. I love it. I love it. As per usual. He knows precisely what to send me. This is awesome. That is awesome. I appreciate that. Hey, Adrius, thank you, bro. I'll look into it. I appreciate that. That's sick. Oh, this is actually way better. Oh, Daniel, that's amazing. Look at what Daniel sent in the news chat. This is actually awesome, bro. This is really nice. Something like this is actually pretty good, bro. I'll make a channel for you, precisely for you. So you can, you know, like, send stuff like this out whenever you feel like it. That's actually pretty nice, bro. That's actually pretty nice. It's good to see you guys are having fun, laughing at me. I don't mind, though. I think it's funny as well. Cheers. Get yourself a coffee. Let's enjoy the stream for today until the CPI comes along. And then make sure to stay protected here, guys. Make sure to stay protected in this short on CFD. All right, so we're in the short on the CFD side. And we have to wait for... yeah, lower prices here for MNQ. I'll put an alert down on 6 to see whenever it crosses. We'll see whatever happens then. Why does that bad song always come up, guys? I don't understand why. Alright, let's see. I've sent another one in the email. Alright, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Yeah, maybe we can try this one. We'll see if this one is better with the background. Let's see. Let's see, bro. Is this one better or is the last one better, guys? Let me know. There's some edges here on this one. But let me know which one is better in the chat. Which one you guys like more. Cheers, mate. And exploring the IQ platform. Thanks for the new account. For the account, no problem. The first one, I reckon. By the way, every streamer has a set of sounds to mark events or milestones. Yeah, maybe we just like need to have like buttons that like woo or like whatever, you know, like some crazy shit. We could consider it. No, I appreciate it. I will use this one. I like it. I'm gonna keep it as it is for now. Alright, nice. Oh, alright. Yeah, the link is already sent out. I'll send it out again. If you want to join the free giveaway for 250k accounts, then yeah, yeah, you can join in for free. You don't have to pay anything. What is the plan for entry? I'm currently in this short setup for gold. It could still reach back into 6, but I'm anticipating a little bit of shorter prices here. Anything back into this level would be break even for me. So anything lower again, I would go to break even. We're giving away 250k accounts from IQ Capital, Punchy. Same as yesterday, my friend. Same as yesterday. MNQ sloppy. Yeah, MNQ is not doing anything at the moment. I have an alert set for MQ for lower to see whether or not they want to give that to us. But currently we're in this short. Let's see if it wants to play though. We need the DXY to back us up here if this wants to play out for us. So I need some higher price for the DXY. I like the buy up here for the hourly. I really like, look at this stuff. Like it really like all the way to the upside. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Gusfrak. Yeah, I personally also think that gold wants to go higher, but I'm looking for a short-term pullback. But I see what you're saying, bro. It looks like it potentially wants to go towards previous day high for sure. For sure, my friend. And yeah, it just has to, for me, it just has to do with whatever happens here for the DXY. I see all this liquidity. I'm like, maybe they want to take it out before the news. And if that happens, I would assume gold wants to go lower for a bit. But I might be completely wrong here, guys, right? It could also be that gold is setting in the low now for 6. And then we have the actual move higher. So manage yourself correctly here. If we come back towards these lows, I will definitely go to break even. Secure myself. So yeah, we're going to see what happens here. We're going to see what happens here, guys. I'm really low risk, by the way, guys, right? Just so you know, I'm like risking 0.1 or 0.2% of the account, so it's nothing at all. So make sure you're not risking anything major here. We got CPI later today. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and that's bad advice because I sometimes lose my mind as well. But you know, I can still give the advice. No, not really, Punchy. I think the fact that you can already receive giveaways is just like more than enough. Doing it on a day-to-day basis. And you don't have to participate in the giveaway, bro, if you don't want to do that. You know what I mean? You don't have to. Like you know what I mean? Like, let's see. Alright, let's see what happens here. We just step back into almost back into 6 o'clock. We still haven't touched it though. We just opened a new 15-minute candle, so this could still reach back up if it wants to. Alright, here we go. That is a major move here, guys. I don't know what that was about, but that's a major move here. And the news is not even out yet, so I'm going to break even here. Let's see if we can survive. I think DXY just went crazy here. What is this? Like news, probably. Make sure to protect yourself. I don't know what this is, bro. This is crazy. Alright, we also had a major... Okay, I think there's something news related that just dropped. DXY is reaching for the highs here. Okay, then. Okay, then, guys. Let's see what happens here. So I'm protected right now on this trade. Protected on this position. My take profit is a little bit higher here. Alright, let's see what happens. We're break even. At least I'm break even. Make sure to protect yourself. Let's see what happens here, guys. I want to participate, bro, but it's very complicated. It's not complicated, bro. You just sign up. You just sign up. That's it. There's nothing complicated about it. If you want to trade with any firm, you have to sign up through the firm before you can trade the account, amigo. You know what I mean? Like, I can't do it anything more or better than that, my friend. 200 people sign up, but only 1 or 2 people choose. We don't need to sign up, right? Increase if we win. Bro, Punchy, I don't know what you want me to do, bro. Like, I'm giving away accounts every single day now. Continuously. I gave away 8 accounts starting on Monday. Like, it's like, what do you want me to do, bro? Like, you want me to give away 30 accounts just because otherwise you don't feel it's fair? Like, I don't know why you're so upset, bro. Like, you can join the giveaway if you want to. You don't have to. But like, you know, like, I have no idea why you're so upset, man. Weren't we not discussing this yesterday? Yeah, good guy. It's the same story. It's not good enough, my friend. It's not good enough. Like, what can you do? You can give away, like, legit giving it away for free. You know what I mean? Like, what can I do more? Yeah, Punchy, but what do you mean, bro? Like, you sign up, you just sign up, and you can join the next giveaway again. And if you don't win, you join the next one. And if you don't win, you join the next one. You know, until you potentially win a giveaway, my friend. Like, I don't know what you mean, bro. Like, there's nothing, like, nothing bad about it, my friend. All right, let's see. I'm gonna take some partials here, guys. I'm gonna take some partials out of the position. So I took some off here. 70% of the position I took off. I'm gonna leave some running here for a longer period of time. So we took 70 off, just at around a 1-to-1, because I don't feel like this running back to my entry. So I took a little bit off here, but I'm gonna increase the target here, guys. So let's see if this wants to actually run through. And we're going to put an alert down for the DXY. If the DXY crosses the highs, that's when I will take off probably the entire position here. So, yeah, let's see what happens here, guys. You choose here from the live stream watching your channel, and then who win the giveaway, we need to... Punchy, I have no idea what you're asking me, bro. Like, I truly do not understand what you're asking me, my friend. I don't choose who wins, my G. I don't choose. Like, genuinely, I don't choose. It's a random thing. You know what I mean? Like, what more can I do for you, amigo? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't choose who wins, bro. I hope you understand. Like, I wouldn't even let it cross my heart if I had to choose who won the giveaway, my friend. Like, that doesn't make any sense. All right, let's see what happens, though. Let's see if we can use the previous low to resport it to go lower. And otherwise, we just take off, we take home 70%. But we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. Whether or not this wants to continue selling off is the main question here, right? Can you choose me? Of course, bro. Of course. Because you ask it so kindly. But that's funny. Alright, let's see. I think he's saying just pick from the chat here instead of having to sign up. Yeah, but it doesn't change anything, bro. If you want to trade with a firm, you still have to sign up to the firm, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't make a difference, amigo. Like, yeah, but that doesn't work that way, Punchy. It doesn't work that way, amigo. Because the giveaway system is automatic, right? So it works. This is the most efficient way ever. Like I understand what you're asking me. You say, I don't want to sign up. I only want to sign up if I win. All right? Yeah, I don't want to buy a lottery ticket, but I want to buy it if I win $1 million. Is basically what you're saying, right? It doesn't make sense, bro. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, if I knew I would win, then I'll participate. And, bro, it doesn't work that way, you know? Like, it's not... And the fact is, you don't even have to pay anything, bro. You know what I mean, Punchy? But like, that's what I'm saying. Punchy, like, genuinely, I don't understand the problem here. Yeah, maybe he's trolling. I have no idea, bro. Like, I have no idea. It's the... I'm gonna let it be as it is, though, by the way. For the guys that do want to join the giveaway and potentially win a free account, because I did my best for you guys here. If you want to sign up and win, the link is in the chat. You don't have to pay anything. It's a free giveaway. 250k accounts we're giving away today. Another giveaway tomorrow. If you want to tune in tomorrow and want to potentially win, you can sign up. We have 33 participants right now, so a pretty good chance of winning. 2 winners. Yeah, but it's not gonna happen, Punchy, bro. It's that simple. Like, we have a really good system in place, my friend. And if you don't want to be a part of it, it doesn't matter. But I'm not gonna, you know, like, it's not gonna happen, my friend. For some, it's a hard decision. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Roma, good morning, my friend. Hope you're doing good. Nice content here. I appreciate that, bro. I really appreciate that. Then how many times do we need to sign up to participate in the giveaway? Once, bro. Just once. Like, you sign up once, and then after that, you can just click the link, and you're automatically selected into the giveaway every single time you want to participate. I don't understand. Like, I don't know. Like, you know, like, I think you're awesome, Punchy. I truly appreciate it, bro. I think you're awesome, but you only have to, like, you sign up to the firm. Because otherwise we can't otherwise we can't give you an account, bro, if you win. You see what I'm saying? It's just, that's how it works. You know what I mean, bro? That's just how it works, my friend. All right, let's see what happens here. Yeah, we're still on break even here, but we're gonna see whether or not this wants to continue to the downside. That's the main concern for me. That is the main concern. All right, let's see. But it's very complicated. 200 people sign up and only 1 winner. It's 2 winners and only 33 people are signed up right now, bro. Only 33 people and 2 winners. So you have 33 people that are participating and 2 winners. So that's, what is that? You have a 5% chance of winning? Something like that. Like, you know, like, you know, I understand if you have like 300 people signed up, but then again, it's not costing you anything. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, whatever. Whatever.
All right, BTC is holding steady. Let's watch for the breakout. What the? Who's there? It's Punchy Funny.
Wait.
All right, BTC is holding steady. Let's watch for the breakout. What the? Who's there? It's Punchy Funny. Time to crash the stream. Get out of my room. Yeah. Whoa, not the screens. And stay out. My stream is ruined.
Oh, bro, I'm crying. Oh. Oh, bro, that's crazy. All right, I'm still in, but I don't know if I'm gonna survive this pullback. Let's see, though. Oh, bro, I'm crying. Oh, yo, that's crazy. Alright, I got taken out on break even here, guys. So yeah, I made 80 bucks here, 88 bucks, 90 bucks, something like that. So it's still alright to a degree. I'm crying, bro. That's insane. That's insane. Nah, you don't ruin my live streams, bro. I didn't make that video. I just found it funny. I think you're awesome, Punchy. I really think you're awesome. You're welcome to be here. Like, genuinely. It's good because, you know, like, you're like, how can you say that? You just want to make sure it's all fair and square, right? Which makes a lot of sense, bro. It's not a bad thing. But I will explain it to you once again. If you want to participate, it doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to if you don't want to, but yeah. That's just how it works, my friend. There's no way around it, bro. If you want to join in for the giveaway, guys, we got 120 people tuned in. If you want to join into the giveaway, sign up through the link. You get automatically selected into the giveaway, and your account will be granted to you in your dashboard from IQ Capital, and you can trade with it for free. Doesn't cost you anything. Okay, I'm going to sign up, bro. W in the chat. W in the chat. Alright, I got taken out on break even, guys. W in the chat for Punchy. Let's go, bro. You're a legend, bro. Glad you're gonna be here in the giveaway. I hope, like, genuinely that you're gonna win. That would be, like, insane, you know? That would be insane if you would win. I actually think that would be awesome. So I hope for you that you're gonna win. Alright, break even hit. And let's hope this didn't take us out for the 7 o'clock high to continue lower. That would be kinda but we got break even here, so let's see. Alright, we're selling off a little bit further still. Yeah, there's no way for me to get involved as of yet. I would like to see lower prices still for the Nasdaq. So, yeah, we have to wait a little bit here. Okay, thanks, bro. No problem, Punchy. No problem, man. No problem, here we go. I've got 130 people watching. Hope you guys are doing good. If you want to participate in the giveaway here, guys, feel free to join. The giveaway is going to end today. The link is in the chat if you want to sign up. You get access to a free 50k account. We have 2 winners today. Ah, it looks like we got taken out on break even here before the move actually occurs. That would be kind of upsetting, actually, to be honest. That would be kind of upsetting. They came up just to take me out and then go. Yeah, that's shit. Look at that. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it on my MT5 as well. Like, they precisely came to take me out here. Let me show you guys. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, look at this. Precisely. You see that? That's actually crazy. That's kind of upsetting, actually. Not gonna lie. It is what it is. Is any one of you guys still in this position? If you are, potentially could trade it back to 2 o'clock lows here. If they want to sell it through and the dollar still has that liquidity resting above, I think that has some potential here. You also have an unmitigated low here to the downside. I swear someone... Yeah, okay, bro. I know. You're right, Bance. You're right. But I had to go to break even, bro. I took money out of the market, you know? I can't just let it and take me out afterwards, you know what I mean? It's alright though. It's alright though. We made some money. We made some money. It is what it is. We didn't risk a lot anyway, so we made some money. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's see. Just put it on like this. I have to see what happens here. Let's see if they want to continue selling it off here. So when it comes to M&Q, I'm looking for lower prices. Am I willing to short it? No, not necessarily, right? For gold, that's a different reason. Because gold actually looked good for the sells. If you look at it from this angle, you swept the current day high, Asia highs. And then you had I want to say divergence, but you didn't have a divergence. But then you sold off, you're below 6, entry of 6, selling off. It was a nice trade actually for a pullback. I'm questioning how far they want to pull back though. If they want to really go far, like I would say this is the target right here, down below, right? This would be the target. This would be the target for me. We got 40 people in the giveaway. If you want to tune in for the giveaway, make sure to sign up. You have some time left on your hands. We're gonna leave this open for let's say another hour at least. Let's say another hour at least. Oh yeah, I forgot, by the way. We took 70% off, guys. I totally forgot what I had to do. We took 70% off. So we need to watch something here, guys.
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
Yes! W! Awesome. Let's go. Took home 70%. Nothing in comparison with what we should make. He's not as handsome. Yeah, he's not as handsome. You know what I'm saying? You're right. If I signed up yesterday, yeah, you just have to select in again, so you join. If you signed up yesterday. Hi, Thomas, Catherine, welcome. Tuning in from the Philippines. Hope you're doing all right. Glad to see you back. Glad to see you back. And let's see what happens here, guys. Let's see what happens here. What's happening on dollar? Am I willing to give this another shot here with my stop above 7? I might be willing to do that. Give me a second here. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm entering another short here, guys. I'm risking the profit I made on this previous trade, so I'm basically not risking anything. And I'm using my stop above current 7 o'clock high, targeting it back down further. So I just entered this short position. I'm using the money I just made, right? So I don't use anything basically. Let's see if we want to go down further. Let's see if we want to go down further here. So I just entered another short position right here, guys. On CFD, so that's why I'm not showing it on my screen. It's on my phone. So you can see here. And yeah, let's see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can go here. And let's see if this one's continue. First trade was a success. Beef, well played. That's really nice. Congrats. Awesome. W. Hello, my lord. Hello. Hope you're doing good. 1.8k subs. Nice. Awesome. That's really nice. We got 123 people watching. Hope you guys... Let me see Kitty. Wait, that sounds... Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Bro, bro, yeah, you know, like, what do you expect me like this guy? he's like, bro, look at this, right? So Beef, she she shows a trade, and he's like, yo, let me see Kitty. Oh, but you guys, you have to don't see it out of context, because she rescued a kitty, right? She rescued a kitten or something like that, or a cat. I don't think it's a kitten. It looks like a full-grown cat, but she rescued a cat. Look, here you go, here you go. So just so you know, don't take it out of context, okay? Don't take it out of context. Ari, hello from Spain. Hello, Ari. Hope you're doing all right. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome to the live stream. If you want to join the giveaway, feel free to join. I'll send out the link in a second. All right, so there's no risk on this trade for me. But let's see what happens here. Whether or not they want to set it off or not. I would say somewhere around this low, I would take some partials again in the market like this. So let's see whether or not it's going to play. And we definitely need to look at what the dollar is doing here for us, guys. If the dollar wants to keep rising, which it's doing, it will be beneficial. We're also rising on oil. I think overall it's looking all right here. But let's see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. All right, I'm going to send you guys one more link again, so you can sign up through the giveaway if you want to. For the guys that just tuned into the live stream, we're giving away 250k accounts. If you sign up here, you get pulled in here, so you get pulled into the group of people. And if you then win, you get instant access in your dashboard. I will show the winners today live on stream as well, for the guys that are wondering. It's not something selected after the stream. It will be done today. Let's see what happens here, guys. Oh, here we go. Another sell-off to the downside here for gold. Let's see if they want to sell it through here, guys. Let's see if they want to sell it through here. It's looking good at the moment. Let's see if they want to continue. We just took out the previous, or not yet, the previous hour low. I will take it off just before then. I'll let you guys know precisely when I do it. Just give me a second here. Let's see if it wants to sink through here. Taking more partials today. Dangerous market. All right, took off a partial just now at the created low right here. I'm leaving my drawdown run for a little bit. So basically now it's not costing me anything, even if it hits my stop loss. But I will go to break even the moment they break through these lows. So I took a partial here, currently at this current low. Again, 70%. Still doing good though overall. Like we're up, I'm up right now $140 on the CFD account. So let's see. Oh, yeah, you guys, you know it, huh? You know it. You know it. Give me a second here. Give me a second. You know what I have to do now?
All right, chat. We just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
Yeah, let's go. Awesome. All right, took 70% off. TP1 was hit. If they now hit my stop loss, I'm not losing anything here. So I'm gonna leave my stop in place for now. That is AI. Yeah, of course that is AI, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Let's see whether or not this wants to go for us here, guys. Just so you guys see here. So I took the sell, and then I took partials at that low, and we're still running with a little bit. Let's see what happens here, though. Let's see what happens here. So slow market just for the NFP. Or for the CPI. We're selling off further here as well on MNQ. So I'm looking for potential buys here. Crazy how far AI has come along. Yeah, for sure. Thomas and his American accent. Yeah, bro. AI is doing it, you know. You look real to me. I don't know if I need to take that as a compliment. Because on that video I look like awful. But I do appreciate it. I guess. I got it again today, guys. Drink yogurt. This stuff is banging, guys. Like, genuinely. This stuff is like banging. And it has like, let me see. So in a full pack, it has 300 calories. Which is still a lot, to be honest. But yeah, it's pretty good, actually. It's pretty good. You better drink this than cola, that's for sure. All right, got 125 people watching. Let's see who's still actively watching in the chat. Let me know. 300 for the whole thing. Yeah, for the whole thing, bro. Yeah, for the whole thing. So it's not that, actually, it's not that crazy. It's like a leader, right? So it's actually pretty good. Press a 1 in the chat if you're still actively watching. And make sure to join the free giveaway, guys. If you want to tune in, join the free giveaway. In the house. Awesome. You guys are still here. That's awesome. That's good to see. That's good to see, guys. I'm glad you guys are still here. Good to know. We got the news coming out here in an hour and 10 minutes from now, guys. In an hour and 10 minutes, the news is coming out here. So let's see what's going to happen. It's going to be interesting for sure. We got rising here. We're rising pretty drastically on the VIX. So we're selling off pretty nicely here on the NASDAQ. Could potentially see some longs coming in here shortly. Yeah, that would be nice. I'm waiting for some lower prices here for the MNQ. The DXY is still rising a little bit. It's not rising drastically still, but it's rising, so that's good. Let's see if gold wants to continue selling off, though. It's coming back up. It's creeping back up, guys. Like I said, I have no risk in this position. If I would lose, then I'm losing basically what I made just now here by taking partials. So make your wise decisions here. 8:30, yeah. News is at 8:30. For the guys that never been here before, where are you from? Let me know. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm 23 years old. Been trading for 6 years. I've been losing hair, as you guys can see. Trying to cover it up a bit by putting my hair down, but it was still alive, but barely breathing. That's for sure. Still alive, but barely breathing. And when I get hungry today, got myself some yogurt. some cherry yogurt that I had 2 days ago. I told you guys, or yeah, 2 days ago, I told you guys that I had like a late night craving, and I saw this in the fridge, and I'm like, I should have it in the morning. I was like, and yeah, well, like I only questioned myself because I wanted to make it seem like I was actually struggling, but I took it already, and I enjoyed it really much. So I bought another one. Like, this one is crazy, bro. This one is like, this is like a dessert, like genuinely like a dessert, bro. It's really good. It's really good, actually. Wait. Oh shit. Whoa. This one has 500 calories, bro. What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Okay, so this one's not that good, actually. That's why it's so nice. 500 calories, bro. What do you mean? 500 calories for yogurt, bro. What do you mean? That's bad. That's not good, guys. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. But I do like it, though. Time to spar, yeah, for sure. You young, don't bother. Yeah, bro, I'm getting fat, though. Like, I'm getting fat. Like, genuinely, bro. I'm getting, like... I'm gaining proper weight, bro. Like, I used to buck 6 days a week, right? I used to buck 6 days a week. And we sparred every single week, whatever. And I could eat whatever I want. Bro, I could eat whatever I want. Like, it didn't matter. I could eat 3,000 calories in a day, 4,000 calories in a day, and I wouldn't gain any weight whatsoever. Right? And, yeah, now, because I don't do it anymore like I used to, I'm gaining weight, bro. I'm getting fat, basically, is what I'm saying. I'm getting fat, like genuinely fat. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Let's do the giveaway. Yeah, the giveaway is coming shortly. Not yet. We're gonna hold on to it for a little bit longer. Give people the option to sign up here. So for the people that still wanna join the giveaway, press the link. Sign up through the link in the chat. We got 49 participants. We have 130 people watching. I mean, you can join if you want to. You don't have to. But yeah, thank you for subscribing. I highly appreciate that. I can't see who subscribed. I don't know why. Give me 1 sec. Zohir, welcome, bro. Thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate that, my friend. Thank you. You're a legend. Thank you very much. All right, let's see. What do you guys think about the overlay? I think it looks pretty sick, actually, right? You have the giveaway on the right-hand side. You have the charts in front of us. And we have a little giveaway button at the top and left-hand side. Yeah, I think it's awesome. I think it's looking really good, guys. I think it's looking really, really good here. Let me put it up a little bit. I'm autistic. All right, here we go. Nice. I'm not here for the giveaway. I'm here for the cool trades. Oh, nice. Appreciate that. I appreciate that. Yeah, so for the guys, a reminder, I'm still in this position. I'm risk-free. If I lose this, I don't lose anything because I took profits out of the position. So if this goes against me and it wants to rise higher, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. We'll see, though. The DXY is falling again to the downside. I was anticipating this to go higher. We'll see what happens, though. Whether or not it wants to respect the previous hourly low is the big question here. If it sinks through, there's a big chance that gold is going to keep rising here. And we need to also look at what the oil is doing. Oil is still respecting 7 o'clock open. So if this wants to continue rising, that would be beneficial for our shorts on gold. But we'll see, though. It's a bullish market overall. It's a bullish market overall, guys. Embrace the fatness and be happy. No. Hey, Punchy. Hey, you're a legend. Look at what Punchy said. We are watching 126 people, only 90 likes. Come on, please, and hit the like and subscribe. Thank you, Punchy. I appreciate that, bro. You're a legend. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. I highly appreciate that. I highly appreciate that, my friend, amigo. Let's go, Punchy. That's the spirit. 100%. 100%. All right, let's see. For the guys that want to tune into the Discord, feel free. Whoa. What's going on here? What's going on here? Okay, nice. All right, nice. I'm not gonna... Can't show that on screen. Can't show that on screen. Jimmy was 5 years old yesterday. Ooh, nice. Look at that. We got some animal lovers here to chat with us, guys. If you want to join the best Discord community, feel free to tune in. It's a free Discord community. You don't have to pay anything. How do I join the Discord? I sent you the link just above you just now.
Come on.
All right, I got another video sent over. Let's see. This is for when I lose.
Come on. Come on. Hold the line. No, it hit the stop loss. I lost. That's it. I'm done. Arrgh! No! Ah!
Oh, bro. Out of nowhere, it's like... Look at the... it's like everything is chill.
That's
like,
it. I'm done.
And then,
Arrgh! No! Ah!
Hey, the curls are actually pretty nice. Look at that.
Ah!
They're actually pretty... They're pretty neat, actually. They're pretty neat, actually. I like it. I like it. I like. It's actually awesome. Thank you. Appreciate that. Which indicators on your screen do you feel like provide the most value? The openings and closes for sure. The opening times. But everything, I would say that like you could say that this is giving me value as well. I can see here that we have a bullish divergence with the chart and the RSI. But the openings are just for me to, they provide me a clear roadmap, bro. You know what I mean? Like I can clearly see where we are even on the lower time frame, which is what I like personally. Good evening, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Hope you're doing all right. Thank you for tuning in. Got some awesome people here in the Discord. Thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome. Welcome to everyone who joined into the Discord. Wolf, it's me, Punchy from YouTube. Welcome, Punchy. Welcome. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if they want to set it up further here. And yeah, same scenario here for the Nasdaq. I'm personally not gonna take this short. You could say that this is like a similar approach here, that you have like something like this, right? 7 o'clock low, back to this low. Yeah, you could actually say that this is a short play, to be honest. Back towards this low. I might give this a crack, but I will give it a crack then on CFD, guys. All right, we got taken out for gold on the remaining of the position. So yeah, I'm basically risk-free on this position. I didn't lose anything. I actually made money on this position. 13 bucks. Awesome. So yeah, we got yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Nothing lost, nothing gained, basically. Yeah, let's see what happens here for MNQ. Do I want to take this position to the downside is the question that I ask myself. We got a new 30-minute coming in here. The VIX, what is the VIX doing? Let's have a look at the VIX. The VIX is rising drastically. Yeah, I might give this a crack once they come back up a little bit here, guys. Towards 821. I'll let you know if I enter the position here. I'll let you know if I enter the position. Currently, I'm just waiting. If I enter this, I will enter it on the CFD side, guys. Do you speak any Spanish? No, I do not. Well, maybe Si, senor. There you go. That's what I got for you, bro. Or what is it? Mucha grande. Mucha grande. Is this Spanish as well, or is that? I don't even know, to be honest. I'm trying. Trying, bro. Trying. Is that French? Is it actually? No way. Is mucha grande, is that French? Actually? Oh, okay. Well, I try my best. Try my best, bro. Like, I'm sorry. It sounded French. Yeah, maybe just because I say it, you know? Like, maybe it's because I say it. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Ah, nice. That means thank you so much. At least that's what YouTube tells me. That's what YouTube is telling me right now. Let's see. Do they want to come up a little bit before they go is the question I'm asking myself. Do they want to take this high out? I don't think that... yeah, maybe. I'm going to wait for a little bit here before I enter a trade here on the Nasdaq. No, I'm not in. Do you think all men should take testosterone? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's based on the studies. I don't think it's good for you, bro. Like some maybe later in life, you know what I mean? Like when you just get old and your shit stops working and whatever. Not maybe then you should take some testosterone, but I don't think you should take it when you're young. All right, let's see. We're gonna end the giveaway in 24 minutes, guys. So 24 minutes for you guys to join, and then we'll end the giveaway, and then we'll get a winner out of it. So if you want to join the giveaway for free, make sure to sign up. Make sure to sign up. Let's see what we got here, guys. All right, I'm entering a trade here, guys, at this current moment. I just entered right here. My stop is at the current 7 o'clock high. Give me 1 sec. Just putting in my stop loss here. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm anticipating this to flip below 7 o'clock again. If I would lose this position, I'm basically break even on the day. So let's see if this wants to play. First target would be back towards this this wick. I think it's an inefficient wick. They want to fill it out, I think, personally. So that's what I'm looking for price to reach back into that wick to the downside. But we'll see what happens here, guys. We'll see what happens. How can I participate? If you sign up through the link, you will automatically be pulled in here for the giveaway. The giveaway is shown here on the right hand side. Once I end it, it will draw one of the winners here. And then you get instant access in your dashboard to the account. Got 100 likes. GG's. Well played, guys. Well played. Let's see. If we turn back and we flip below the current 7 o'clock low, we're gonna take off some. We're gonna take some off here. So let's see if that wants to do it for us. It's looking good for now, guys. Could be a potential 15-minute high here that we just put in after sweeping the previous 15-minute high back into the fair value gap, which I like. I think this looks pretty good, actually. Looking pretty good, actually. If this wants to continue, though, that's the main concern here, right? Let's see whether or not this wants to do it for us. Deepak, welcome to the live stream, bro. Thank you for subscribing. Hope you're having a blessed day. Any day above ground is a good day for me. I hope it's the same for you. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's crossing through, as you guys can see. Taking off 70% here now. So I took 70% just before the low. And we're gonna move the stop to break even on the remaining of the position. Otherwise we do the same stuff with gold. I don't want to give some profit. I don't want to give it back again. So we're doing overall alright, guys. We're doing alright at the moment. Leaving the rest run towards this low. We're a little bit more aggressive on profit taking today. Should have done it yesterday. We had some nice trades yesterday. We had a really nice trade yesterday, but yeah, it is what it is. Today's CPI day, so we have to be a bit more careful. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to show it again, guys. I need to show the video again. You guys have to remind me here, guys. You guys have to remind me here. Here we go.
All right, chat, we just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat.
No,
we're
not
crushing
to the moon.
it.
To the downside, bro. What do you mean? Let's go, chat. Awesome. Yeah, let's see if we can survive the rest of the position here. Let's see if we can survive on the rest of the position. I don't think so. Man, it's really playing around here. Look at that. I'm still alive. Still alive. I just got taken out here on break even for the rest. Man, today's market, man. CPI, baby. Why you do me like this? Alright. Alright, got taken out on break even for the remaining of my position here, guys. So I took home $50 here. Gold going down. Yeah, I took 7 o'clock as my high as my stop, assuming I wanted to go from here, but it is what it is, though. Like, I didn't lose anything on this position. I actually made some money, not a lot of money, but I made some money on this position. And this one, of course, yeah, this one gave us the money and then afterwards hit break even. So overall good. It's a bit of a more tricky market today, though. Like, it's not really doing anything. I'm glad we're scalping. Like, we're heavily scalping at the moment. That's a bit of a different approach than we normally have. But it's I mean, it's working for the market that we have now. I mean, what more can we do, right? What more can we do, guys? Is the question. Who is still actively watching, by the way? Are you still actively watching? Press a 1 in the chat if you're still here. That would be highly appreciated to see who's still here. Ah, look, you guys are still here. That's awesome. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys. There's previous the high to be swept on GC. Yeah, I agree. Overall, I'm looking for buys, bro. The main reason I was looking for the sells was because the buy up here for the dollar. I was anticipating this to continue towards the relative equal highs to the upside, and you still have NFP unmitigated up top, right? So I'm looking for price to go there and gold to go down during that period. But right now, it's just it's not doing it as of now. Will we see a huge gold pump on the CPI news? Yeah, it depends, bro. It really depends on what the dollars, what the news is gonna be for the dollar here, guys. Like I can't really predict it, as you guys know. It's really hard to predict the news. I wish I could, but sadly I can't. This is a little bit better, so I can relax. Tricky market with the CPI coming, yeah, for sure. It's moving up, down, up, down, up, down. But overall, we're green here, so we're doing we're doing it good today. Why are you looking? Why are you, bro, looking for shorts as the liquidity is above? Because of the dollar, my friend. The dollar has liquidity resting above. And I'm looking for the dollar to take that liquidity out before it has the actual move down. So that's the main reason. That's the main reason. Overall, I'm looking for longs, though. I'm not looking for shorts overall. I'm looking for longs. But during this period, I think the price can continue to the downside further for gold until it actually has the move higher. Or what were you referring to? You're referring to gold, or you're referring to something else? MNQ. If you're referring to MNQ, the main reason I actually took the main reason I took the shorts here is because of the wick to the downside here to take this out. But it's okay though. Like they didn't want to break through here. Is what it is, you know. It is what it is. Sonar, if you're scared to execute your first position, do it small. But you just have to do it, bro. Like you can't go around it, my friend. NQ is a solid long, I would say. Yeah, personally, I don't want to long it from here. Personally, right? I want to long it a little bit lower. For me, a potential buy zone would be down here. But yeah, I might be wrong. It might go from here, but then, yeah. I don't have my execution model at the moment to enter the long. They do have a lot of liquidity set above on the equal highs here on the hourly. The relative equal highs here on the hourly to the upside. Which could be a potential target here for today, for the CPI. We'll see what happens though. So 7 o'clock sold off, took 7 o'clock lows, broke it above. Good closure on the 20 for the people that are looking for longs. I'm just not taking it myself. Yeah, we're referring to the same levels, bro. This is the same level here. If you want to join the giveaway, guys, you still have a chance to win. Or to participate. You have 13 more minutes until I end the giveaway here. So if you want to sign up for the free 250k accounts and potentially win, sign up now and you'll get access instantly. Right? You will be you'll put in, if you win, you'll get access in your dashboard. So you'll get an email and you'll see it instantly in your dashboard. We did it yesterday, we did it the day beforehand. Everything is working perfectly fine. So if you want to participate, feel free to join the giveaway. You don't have to if you don't want to, of course. You don't have to if you don't want to. We got 125 people watching. Hope you guys are doing good. Appreciate every single one of you for tuning in. Welcome to the live stream. Let me know where you're from. If you've never been here before, let me know where you're from. I'm from the Netherlands. I live close to Amsterdam. Been trading for 6 years. Losing hair, as you can see, right? Genuinely. But yeah, it's all part of the game, you know what I mean? Part of the game. We're trying to make it work here. Just a regular guy. Nothing special. Belgium. Alles goed. Hopelijk gaat alles goed, ouwe. So yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens today, guys. We got 45 minutes left until the CPI comes out. So that's definitely going to be interesting. I'm going to see what happens when the CPI drops. And then, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here, guys. Welcome to the Discord community, by the way. Welcome to the Discord community. If you want to join the free Discord community, guys, a lot of people here are you know, like awesome. I don't know what to say. Everyone's chilling with each other, chatting with each other. We're doing an amazing thing here. If you wanna join in, feel free to join. Got some really good traders in here, and yeah, okay, never mind. I don't even know. Why would you? All right, awesome community, by the way. Awesome community. That's sick. Okay, nice. After a series of small wins, I usually get a big stop loss because mentally accept that the price is moving in the small moves, and I load my account expecting a small move, but I get a huge impulse toward my stop. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, you just keep around the same size, bro, or you scale in onto your winning positions. It's something you could try as well. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, call sign. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, oh, you know, yeah, whatever. We got 133 people watching. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you guys are doing good. If you're new here, you can join the giveaway for free if you want to. We have a giveaway today. 250k accounts. Feel free to tune into the giveaway. The link is in the chat. If you sign up, you'll automatically be put into the giveaway, guys. Automatically. Let's see what we have here for today, though. Can we sell it off further, or we're gonna stay around and stick around here? That's the big question here. We tap back into 6 o'clock. Not a major move from it. We have 10 more minutes until 8. Maybe 8 is gonna do something for us. You never know. You never know. You never really know, do you? That's the beauty from trading, guys. That is the beauty from trading. Oh yeah, and by the way, for the guys that also would like to try out IQ Capital, if you don't win, you can get a $9 account to try them out as a welcome offer, or a $10,000 account for just $1. So if you want to try them out, you can do it for really cheap here. And make sure you read the rules, guys. Make sure you read the rules, which is of course important. Let's see. So yeah, what are you guys looking for today? For the people in the chat, are you guys looking for longs? Are you guys looking for shorts? I'm gonna start a little poll here. Bias for NQ today. Are you looking for longs? Are you looking for shorts? Or are you mixed? Let me know in the chat. Press the poll in the chat. Let me know what you're looking for. Are you looking for longs, shorts? Let me know. Press the poll in the chat, guys. You can go into the poll and then, yeah, press it. Let me know which one you're looking for here. Oh, we got a lot of people looking for longs today. We got 10 votes. Make sure to press it here, guys, so you have an understanding. And for the people that want to tune in to the giveaway, you still have an opportunity to tune in here. I'm gonna end it in 7 minutes, so only 7 minutes left. If you want to tune in, I'll send you guys the link right now in the chat. If you wanna win the giveaway, sign up, and then you have an opportunity to win here. Then you have an opportunity to win here. We got some people signing up pretty quickly here. Earl, Burke, welcome. Hope you guys are doing all right. And may the odds be in your favor for the giveaway here, guys. May the odds be in your favor. Short, then long, then short. Oh, nice. Yeah, you're looking for both. You're looking for both directions here. Let's see if this plays out for you. That would be nice. That would be nice. We got 30 votes. 60% of you guys are looking for longs. 30% of you guys are looking for shorts. And we got 10% mixed. Awesome. So everyone's looking for longs today. I think personally it's also longs today, by the way. I think we do want to come down. So maybe the CPI wants to manipulate price down. And then the actual move comes later. Or you have the CPI that actually moves it higher. And then you have the manipulation down during New York. And then they close out the day. Something like that could also happen, right? I would prefer it to go down first, personally, because then I can maybe participate in the move. I don't want to buy it from here, so it's either going to go down or, yeah, we have to wait, you know? Like, we have to wait and see what happens. It's just how it is. It's that simple. And for gold, yeah, we haven't moved a single dime at the moment. Like, it's still ranging around between the current 6-hour open, 6-hour high and the 6-hour low. So it's not moving anywhere. It's okay, though. We'll see. Shorts then long sounds good as there is internal liquidity to the downside. Yeah, I agree. I think it would be nice if we can take this low, come back into like a little bit towards like the London range, and then we can actually look for some movement to the upside. That would be nice. Do you know how much the activation fee is? $9, bro. $9, bro. So it's cheap. It's really cheap for the 10K funded account. We got 130 people watching. If you guys enjoy the live streams, make sure to smash up the likes. Hit the notification bell so you know whenever I go live. And if you want to share it with someone that also trades, that would be highly appreciated. Helps out the channel a lot. Only do it if you want to. Don't do it if you don't feel like it. We got 37 votes. 65% of you guys are looking for longs. 27% of you guys are looking... Oh, my apologies. are looking for shorts. And 8% is mixed. I mean, after passing, yeah. So for the 10 account, it's $9, bro. It's not that expensive, amigo. Oh, out of nowhere, I'm tired. No, let's see. And otherwise, it should be stated in the FAQ, bro. Let me see. I have a question. Why don't you trade the why don't you trade the New York session? I do. I was live yesterday on the New York session as well. But normally, like, let's say for example, I have multiple sessions that I like to trade. So either it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. So that's the London session, right? Basically. And then at the midday session, so that's 6 until 9 and maybe till 10 o'clock. And normally I would trade from 10 till like 13, right? 13, so 1 p.m. That's normally my trading windows, but I liked it. I like the midpoint of the day, bro. So today you will be here or you will be gone. I don't know yet, bro. I don't know yet. I might stay a little bit longer today. I'm not sure yet. I might. But we'll see. We'll see whether or not I will do that. All right, we're going to close the poll and let's see. We got 40 votes and most of you guys are looking for longs overall. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens today, guys. Let's see what happens today. For the guys that want to tune in and join the giveaway, I'll give you guys one more shot to join. We got 2 minutes and 40 seconds before it ends here. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We got 60 participators in the current giveaway. So may the odds be in your favor. May the odds be in your favor, guys. I hope so. I hope it is. We got 2 people that can win, so pretty good odds here out of 60 people. DXY is drastically falling. Yeah, I see it indeed. It's falling pretty drastically here. Yeah, the buy up didn't stand. The buy up didn't stand for the dollar here, which is interesting. Bro, I gotta go because I need to go to work right now, bro. Sounds good, Punchy. Have a lovely day, my friend. Have a lovely day. If you win, Punchy, you will receive a notification in your email anyways. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry, my friend. News in 30. Yeah, we're gonna get the CPI coming here soon. It's gonna be interesting for sure. It's gonna be interesting, my guys. Please not 1 second. Yeah, I hope not. Gold didn't took out any highs or lows of the previous day, which is interesting to see. Yeah, I agree. Currently, it's just yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen here, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen. We have liquidity on both ends here still for gold. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting for sure here for the CPI. I'm pretty confident about that. Okay, thanks, bro. I'll rejoin the live stream after 1 hour, bro. All right, bro. Speak to you later. All right, here we go, guys. Press a 1 in the chat if you're still here, active and watching. Are you guys ready for the giveaway here? We're gonna start it now. We're gonna let's see what's gonna happen here. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let me know. Are you guys ready for the 250k account giveaway? Let me know if you're ready. All right, here we go. I'm gonna close it now. I'm gonna... Okay, Adrius. I'm gonna close it now and you're gonna see who's gonna win, okay? You see everyone is selected, so everyone knows. It's gonna be a random drawing. Here we go. I'm gonna close it now. Giveaway is closed. We're gonna draw the winners here. All right, Burke and Chuba. Congratulations. Let me know if you're still here. Chuba and Burke won the 250. Both of them won a 50k classic CFD account. Congratulations. Are you guys still here? I think Burke is still here. I'm not sure. I think I saw him talk. And yeah, go to your email. Go to your email, guys, and you'll have instant access to your account. Who knows? Who knows? We'll consider. We'll see how say stream go. Maybe we can do another one. But otherwise, tomorrow will be another giveaway, guys. As you guys know, tomorrow will be another giveaway. All right. Awesome. Who won? We got Chuba. Chuba won and Burke. Chuba and Burke. Punchy, I hope. No, it's Chuba and Burke. Damn, I guess the algo didn't like me. Anyways, congrats. It is what it is, trade stop. Can't win them all, bro. Always another opportunity later on. Always another opportunity later on. So guys, for anyone wondering, if you click the link in the chat, you can get a really good account here for a 50k account for just $9 if you want. You can also get a CFD prop firm account for just $1 here, guys. If you use the code TJ, right? You can actually you can use this if you want to. And if you want to try them out, you can also wait tomorrow. There's another giveaway, of course. But if you want to try them out for only $1, you can get yourself a 10k account for CFDs and for crypto. And for crypto. All right, let's see what happens here. We're actually buying ourselves up now. Interesting. Above both the CFD and the futures. Nice. Let me know how it goes for you, bro. If you have any problems, don't you can reach out to me if you have any problems. Always here to help. Word up, people. East London in the chat. Yo, Raymond, hope you do good, bro. Glad to see you back again. Glad to see you back again. Hope you're doing good, my friend. All right, we're selling off here for gold. Interesting. Let's see what happens. M&Q is just rising again further, so it's not giving us the potential entry at the moment, which is kind of upsetting. But yeah, it is what it is, you know. What can you do about it? What can you do about it? Sanda, hope you're doing good. Glad to see you still here. Congratulations on the winners, Burke and Chuba. I don't know if Burke's still here. I have no idea, actually. Maybe he isn't. Chuba, are you still here? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you guys are still here. If you need any help setting up your account, I think everything is clear. Should be clear. Adrius, you're funny, bro. I like that. That's funny. Who's still actively watching? Press a 1 in the chat if you're still here. Hope you guys are still here. Yeah, NQ is manipulating. Yeah, it seems like it. Nice, you guys are still here. That's awesome. I need to give me 1 second, guys. I need to make a voice message. Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. 1 second. All right, awesome. I'm back. It's based on the purchase date, my friend. It's based on the purchase date. Oh no, it's sorry, it's when you place your first trade, Andrew. When you place your first trade. Good to see you guys still here, by the way. I really appreciate every single one of you for tuning and staying in. Really appreciate that. So we just swept the lows, swept the highs, back into the weekly open. Also swept these highs on the right, on the left hand side. I might. It's a bit of a tough spot here, guys. I might consider another short. You have bearish divergence. Yeah, I might consider another short here. If they come back up, I might consider another short. I'm trading on CFD at the moment still. So I'll let you guys know when I enter a position here. I wouldn't enter. I'll enter and then I'll let you guys know, of course, right? Just like we did before. So if I don't enter, then I'm not in. And the main reason for the short is the sweep of liquidity back into the weekly opening gap. And the liquidity taken here on the side. I still think that they want to go low before they want to go higher, personally. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. And I like the overall formation here. So you have the sweep. You're in a extreme in relationship to the current range, and you have a bearish divergence with the RSI, which I like. So for me, it feels like this could potentially be a high, for a short-term high at least, right? Short-term high for a move lower. We'll see what happens though. We'll see whether or not this is the case. We'll see whether or not this is the case. In your dashboard, it says the expiration date. Oh, Leon, you're awesome. All right, there you go, Andri. You have your expiration date in the dashboard, my friend. Ah, okay, then I was right overall, Andri. Sorry. Then I was right overall, bro. Let's see, what's gold doing? Yeah, gold's selling off further. No way for me to enter gold, though. Gold never gave the short entry again. Which is fine. What are you talking about? AT&T blocked it as fraud. What are you talking about? Byte? The DXY and gold are dumping at the moment. Yeah, you have CPI coming up, bro. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, like it's just anything can happen at the moment. If we don't get tagged or we don't get the opportunity to take this trade before the CPI, I wouldn't take it, guys. Just so you know. I'm not gonna hold through the CPI or enter just before the CPI. How are you doing? Many trades? Yeah, I have a couple of trades here. So I took 2 shorts on gold. One of them hit first TP, then break even. The second one hit TP and then stop loss. So this one is basically break even. And I hit a TP on the Nasdaq and then break even. But it's not really going anywhere. But overall we're doing all right. And how about yourself, bro? How about yourself? All right, let me move this away here. Who knows? We might do another giveaway today. You never know. You never know. And otherwise, tomorrow, guys. Otherwise, tomorrow. Got a new 5-minute that just opened up. Yeah, if it comes back up, it could still provide us the short potential here. But I'm not going to try and predict the CPI here, guys. So if it doesn't want to do it before the CPI, then we just hold on to the... We'll hold our SEC and we hope that we're not going to... Well, we're going to see what happens here, basically. I personally think that gold needs a retest of the big range below before it goes higher. Yeah, you might be right here, bro. Personally, that's why I was looking for the shorts, right? Like, I think it wants to go lower before it wants to go higher. And most ideally, I would like to see the dollar taking this high out and then see whatever, you know? Like, it could also go crazy and just obliterate all these highs on the upside here for the dollar. A lot of things can happen with CPI, guys. Nothing is guaranteed. No one knows what's going to happen next, right? So you have to remind yourself of that every single day. CPI could do anything. Yeah, for sure, bro. 100%, bro. That's the CPI, you know what I'm saying? That is the CPI. Yo, Thomas, I'm gonna watch the CPI from the sidelines. Yeah, personally, I won't trade it, but if it gives me the entry beforehand, I might. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Make a special console link for a giveaway for it. No. I'm not gonna give away accounts for people that blow up because they want to trade the CPI. That's a bad motive, bro. That's a bad motive. Yeah, I just dropped my position in the Discord. Yeah, really nice, bro. Really nice. Are you in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade at the moment. Not in yet. I'm potentially looking for this sell, but it also depends on the on whether or not we got the time for it here with the CPI coming up. With the CPI coming up here in a sec. Yeah, that might be the case, Andrew. I guess it's gonna go up and then go down. And Q is yeah, you're right. Sometimes, not always. I'm not gambling trade shop. Stops, sorry. If it doesn't give me the entry within like the next 5 minutes, I'm not taking the trade. Then I just let it ride and see what happens. I don't have a limit set, guys. Oh. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here, guys. Whether or not they want to go higher or not is the big question here. What is the worst that can happen if I go long on the CPI? You blow your account. Yeah. You know what I mean? Like, if it goes the other way, they're gonna feel it, for sure. All right, let's see. I want it a little bit higher, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna give it to us. It is what it is. My full, like, I got tagged in with a really small position, but my full position was a little bit higher, so it is what it is. I'm in, but I didn't say I was in, so it doesn't really count. So it doesn't. This one doesn't matter. Like, if this one, I'm like risking like 20 bucks here, not even like 10 bucks maybe. My full position was just above this level here. So yeah, we're not gonna be in time probably, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here, guys. Yeah, let me see what my actual. I'm only in with one lot instead of 10. Yeah, so my risk is 10 bucks. Oh, wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. That's sarcasm, of course, guys. Alright. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So I'm in a really small position from here, guys. But that was not my original position. That's why I didn't mention it. My entry was a little bit higher. But yeah, let's see. So I'm like risking 10 bucks on this position. So it's nothing, basically. But yeah, maybe it goes down. You guys wanna see what happens during the CPI? I'm floating 9 bucks in profit right now. But this one doesn't count, of course. Slippage is a real thing, yeah, for sure. Yeah. Can you pull up the forecast for the CPI? Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me do that. Let's see what happens here. It's not showing me the numbers on the correct side though. That's pretty ass. Why doesn't it do it? Why, bro? Why? So I need to put like a full-on news article on my screen here. Alright, whatever. How far can I take it? All right, here we go. All right, let's see what happens here. Oh, then you can still not see the numbers. Okay, yeah. All right, whatever. All right, this is not gonna work. Just gonna put it out there. There you go. Awesome. Forex Factory. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so the forecast for the CPI is gonna be 0.2. Yeah, so anything that's actually greater than the forecast is good for the currency, right? But let's say it ends up being 0.000 still. It's not gonna be good, guys, right? You see what I mean? If it's 0.001, it's better than the actual previous, but still worse than the forecast. Just so you know. And for the CPI here, so you have the core CPI. It's this difference, right? It's like not a major difference. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. It's gonna be interesting for sure. Was selling through on the Volks. Looks like this could be the it's gonna be the buy up here. We sold off a little bit further here for gold. I don't know what's gonna happen today, guys. It's gonna be interesting. Anya trades. There was mortgage rate news today as well, and that caused a bullish move. Okay, let's see. We're buying itself back up again here for the dollar. Could be a bearish move coming in here for gold soon. But yeah, CPI, baby. CPI is going to be interesting for sure. I have bad FOMO. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's only worth it if it goes your way, guys. So don't risk it for the biscuit. You're going to hate yourself afterwards. Speaking from experience, by the way. Speaking from experience. Hey, just saw I won. Forgot my headphones today, so I can't listen to the stream while I'm studying in the library. Sad, though. Thanks. No problem, Burke. Oh, you can't hear me, of course. Alright. No problem. Received correctly. What happens if your trade is at break even? Are you safe from the slippage issues? No, not really. Slippage is mostly, depending on what you're trading, futures or Forex, is mostly delay. So it's delay of execution. On Forex, it's much more drastic sometimes than it is on futures. But on futures, you don't really have spread, but you do have delayed of execution. So I would just say, you know, like, if you, yeah, it just depends on how much you're risking, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, the CPI is scared of Thomas. Yeah, bro. CPI doesn't know what's coming, bro. CPI doesn't know what's coming. Alright, I got 5 minutes left. I'm, of course, not going to enter the full position now anymore on this trade. My $10 floating just got hit out on break even as well here, guys. So I have nothing in this position here. So we're not in. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any entries here. So just so you know. I'm not gonna take any entries at the moment here. So we have an eclipse tonight here in the Netherlands, which is crazy. I do not have any eclipse glasses though, which I find really, really sad, but it is what it is. But we also have falling stars for the rest of the night, guys. Falling stars for the rest of the night, which is crazy. It should be a meteor shower tonight. Yo, your room is an attic. Yeah. Well, I have the whole top floor. So we have 2 floors in this house. And the whole top floor is mine. It's 85 square meters, guys. Solar or lunar eclipse. Yeah, it's just yeah, when the moon and the sun you know, like, go into each other. So it's a solar eclipse, right? I guess. Yeah, solar eclipse. Yeah. Yeah, we got a solar eclipse. Did I say anything? Did I say it wrongly? Yeah, that's what we have tonight. yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I've never seen it before, but what I will do is I will look like this. So I'll look through my selfie camera, so I don't look straight into it. Are you Christian? No. No. Alright, we're not in yet. The next one will happen in 2081. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's sad that I don't have the glasses, guys. Like, it's like I should get them. Totally forgot about buying them. Alright, here you go. We got 3 more minutes until the news, guys. Hold your sec. Stay steady. Stay safe. Alright, this one didn't play. Alright, let's see. Hold your sec, guys. It's gonna be interesting. The VIX is selling off already. The VIX is selling off already. Let's see what happens. Is any one of you trading it? If you look directly into the solar eclipse, it hits your stop loss. Well, yeah, you're gonna go blind, bro. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna risk it for the biscuit. Even though I would like to see it, I'm not gonna risk it. It's not worth it, bro. I'll wait 50 years and then I'll see it again. Not a problem. Oh shit, you guys are actually trading? I wish you the best of luck, guys, to be honest. Oh, wow, sorry. Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens here. "38 seconds. It's gonna be real interesting. This is gonna be some crazy stuff. Look at the pump already here for the NES. For the NES cracker. It's probably gonna reach all-time highs today if it goes nuts. If it goes nuts, it's gonna go to all-time highs. But it could also just flip to the downside, take the current low set in here, and go. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens here. 17 seconds, guys. Hold your sec. Hold your sec. Don't do anything crazy. 8, 7, 6. Oh my god. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. CPI, baby. What are we having? What are we having? Crazy move. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Coming back to this low. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Exactly what we expected. Back into the potential buy zone. And it's buying itself up now. Boy, what's going on here? Woo. Baby. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's crazy. Gold all the way down. Rocketing down into 2 o'clock here. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh baby. What a faker. What a faker here, guys. Yeah, we're gonna wait and see. I'm preferring longs now. Like I said, we went back into the potential buy zone that we had marked out. Did not have a trade set or anything like it. But yeah, now I would look for longs personally. We just have to wait. Just have to wait and see. If you look at the VIX is selling off drastically as well. Heavy sell off on the VIX. DXY. Yeah, the dollar's crazy. It's rising now towards the level that I had marked out before. If the dollar wants to continue, then gold is gonna keep selling off here, which would be interesting. Assuming they're gonna leave previous day high like that, it would be crazy. I have my TP 10 seconds before the CPI. Dang, yeah, that's awesome. What an underwhelming CPI. $2,000 points in under a minute. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah. Oh yeah, you mean 200? No, it's not 2,000. Got the account data. Thank you. No problem. Glad that it worked out for you. Let's see. Yeah, so it went into the potential buy zone. We did not have our entry set here, so I'm not in this trade, guys. Let's see. Bro, the VIX is selling off so drastically. Look at this stuff. The VIX is going all the way back to these lows here. Let's see if it wants to continue selling off. That would be crazy. That would be crazy, guys. The question is now, how do you get involved? There's no structure to play with at the moment, so we have to wait a bit. I would like to see it come down once again, to be honest, before it goes up. For gold. But it also depends here for the dollar. If the dollar wants to push through and really go for those highs, you would assume that the gold could be the sell here. But you never took previous day high, so I'm a bit like iffy. Let's say something like this could happen, right? So we rise, we take previous day high, break below 830, and then you have the sell-off. That would be actually pretty nice here for gold. So I'm going to leave this on to see if this happens. Because this means that we then would look for the dollar to continue its bullish momentum after sweeping some of the liquidity to the downside. And otherwise, I don't see any way for me to get involved here. Like, I can't long it. Like, why do I pull my stop? You know what I mean? Like, if I put it all the way down here, that would be crazy. Oh, guys, I don't know why I'm so tired out of nowhere. Well, I'm off to bed. That was exciting. Good luck, Thomas. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, call sign. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate you, bro. Have a lovely night, bro. Nice. Well played, Beef. Short scalp after the CPI. Really nice. John! What happened to you, bro? You're back. Hope you're glad you're back again. What happened, John? Where were you? What's up, bro? Good to see you back. I didn't see you for the entire week. Glad to see you back, though. Everyone was missing you, bro. Come on, man. Can't leave us like that, bro. Oh, man. Why am I so tired? What's going on? If New York doesn't open or go back to the next Nasdaqistan, we're going to the range for a long time. I'm back, but I'm still in the hospital. I was really sick. Oh, fuck. I forgot, bro. Yeah, that's really tough, man. How are you feeling? You went to the hospital as well? That's awful, bro. I've totally forgot about you being sick. My apologies, bro. How are you feeling now, though? You feeling better? I'm sorry, John. I hope everything is going all right. I thought you just had like a fever, you know? I didn't expect you to be that sick, but I'm glad you're back. Look at that. Everyone's wishing you get well soon. Man, this shit's awesome. You guys are legends. You guys are legends. All right, let's see. Going home tomorrow. It's good to hear, Beef. Good to hear, John. I'm glad to hear that. I'm really glad to hear that. Let's see what's happening here, guys. Let's see what's happening here. So we just tapped 6 o'clock again, moving higher. Yeah. I think I need another coffee. Do you mind if I go and grab another coffee, guys? Because I feel like I'm genuinely falling asleep here. Like, I don't know why, but it's like I'm knocking away slowly. For some reason, I don't know why I'm so tired. Out of nowhere, it's like, boom! Thomas, you're tired. It's like someone put a magic spell on me. I don't know why. If you guys don't mind, I'm gonna get a coffee. And then I'll be back, okay? I'm gonna get a coffee. Otherwise, I'm not gonna survive here. Getting coffee back in 3 minutes. Alright, I'll be back in 3 minutes, guys, okay? Otherwise, I'm not gonna survive, guys. Like, genuinely, I'm falling asleep otherwise. Give me a second. Give me a second here. Let me, as you guys know what I normally do, I'm gonna put up the elevator music loud and clear for you guys. So you precisely feel like you're just waiting in the elevator for 3 minutes. See you guys back in like 3 minutes, guys. Alright? Be right back. Be right back. Alright? Woo! Baby. Alright, see you in a second here. Back at it again. Let me know, you guys still here? Let me know, you guys still here? We got 74 people watching still. Hope you guys are doing good. I appreciate everyone who's still here. I really appreciate you guys. We've been losing some people along the way, but that's part of the game. I'm glad that you guys are still here. I really appreciate you guys. Let's see. Let me put up a little bit. Yeah, boom, here we go. Awesome, you guys are still here. All right, let's see what happens here for gold. Gold just took out the highs. If gold now breaks back below 830, I might look for a short here. But it depends also on what the DXY will do. Do we have a buyback higher is the question. If that's the case, I might look for the shorts for gold. As we just took previous day highs. But we're going to see what happens here. We're going to see what happens here, whether or not this is the play. Let me remove the text here. All right, boom. Let's see if this is the play here, guys. I would then look for the DXY to keep rising to the upside. That would be my overall goal if the DXY wants to rise again. And flip its current delivery. But we'll have to see whether or not this is going to happen. Because if we look at the current outcome from the news. Let's have a look here. Reset. All right, let's see. So positive. This one is, yeah, this is just bad in relationship to the previous. This is positive. And this is also bad in relationship to the previous, right? So it's a bit of a mixture here at the moment. That's why the DXY is selling off. But yeah, I don't know. I'm still preferring it to go higher, back towards previous day or Friday's NFP high. But we'll see whether or not this is gonna happen. No top wick on this current 3. So no way for me to enter here. Let's see. I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer here, and then we'll call it. So I'm still here for today. Let's see. Adrius is killing it, by the way. Adrius banked a nice 10k here. Well played. Really nice position here, bro. Really nice. Hey, Marcy, well played, bro. Marcy's killing it here, guys. Up 500 per account. Legend. Really appreciate you, Marcy, if you're here. Well played. Well played, my friend. Got a lot of winners in the chat here, guys. If you want to join the Discord community for free, feel free to join in. Feel free to join in. We've got a lot of winners in this chat. A lot of people that are trying to learn to become better traders. People that are already really good at trading. And improving every single day here together, guys. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? Alright, so we're selling off on gold. I did not get my entry here. So it is what it is for now. No top wick. Which I do not really like personally. Yeah, I would need them to first take out the wick here. And then I would look for the continuation play. But it might not happen. We'll see. It might not happen. We'll see. Let's see what's happening here for the Nasdaq. Yeah, for the Nasdaq, I'm not interested in taking any trades. Because I was looking for longs, but the long, I did not enter the long from 750 because it was CPI. So I'm not interested here, but I do like the shorts for gold. If they wanted to give the if they want to give the actual entry here, that's the main concern that I have. It doesn't look like it at the moment. We'll see. We'll see whether or not they want to give it to us. Entry could be something like this, guys, for the gold shorts. Anticipating that the dollar wants to rise from here. Once yet and again. Which I wouldn't find crazy. What are your guys' biases for today still? Are you guys still looking for something? Are you guys looking for shorts? Looking for longs? What are you guys looking for? Let me know what you're looking for. If you're still trading. If you are still trading, guys. Click boom. Welcome to the Discord community, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome to the Discord community. Still short on gold. Nice. Let's hope it plays out. Yeah, I'll let you guys know when I enter. I'll enter on my phone here. Yeah, you're allowed to trade both of your IQ capital accounts. You just can't hedge them, bro. Yeah, of course you're allowed to take the same positions on both accounts, bro. Yeah. You can't hedge. You can't go like long on one and then go short on the other and stuff, you know. All right, Benz, thank you, Bo. See you tomorrow. Take it easy, my friend. Yeah, let's see what happens, though. Just so you guys know, good coffee. Let me take another sip. Do you guys want to sip as well? No? Okay. No. Oh, good coffee. Good coffee, guys. Good coffee. Hi, how's it been? It's been good, bro. I had multiple trades today. We're up on the day. At the moment, I'm just chilling and waiting. I would like to see a short play here for gold. Reverse it back into the range. Expecting the dollar to seek higher. I don't think the dollar's done yet. So I'm trying to play the reversal play here. It's a bit dangerous, but that's my overall goal here at the moment. Even though the dollar's clearly showing a bearish structure, yeah. I'm at 40%, 0.5. Depends, bro. Yeah. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. Let's see. I'm not in yet, guys. I'm not in yet. In 1 sec. Alright. Yeah, I entered the position here, guys. I entered the position here. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm a bit too heavy in for my liking. All right. Yeah, so I'm in a position right here. They could still come up if they want to and then go lower. This is a little bit more of a risky play here. I'm risking what we made today. So if this goes wrong, I'm basically down nothing on the day. Just so you know that, right? And they could take out this current high still if they want to, and then sink. I'm just expecting this to flip after a reversal after the Asia highs of the previous day taken out. I'm looking for a trade back into the range, and I'll definitely take some partials along the way here. So just so you know, probably around these lows. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm at 40% consistency. Which one are you talking about, Anya? Which one are you talking about? Are you talking about the challenge? Or what are you referring to, Anya? I have no idea what you're referring to. Please enlighten me. That would be highly appreciated. Where do we see your position? The position is here on chart. It's right here in front of you. I'm trading it on my phone on CFD. So I'm as you can see, I'm in. Alright? But this is the exact position that I'm in right now. Because CPI, I wanted to trade on the CFD today. So that's the reason I'm trading CFD. For next time, I'll make sure to have my MT5 and everything connected on the PC. So if I'm trading CFD instead of futures, you can see it. But yeah, I have it on my phone, bro. I have it on my phone. So let's see what happens, though. Let's see what happens once they tag into the inefficient level above. Nice, nice. Yeah, it's overall good for CPI especially. But yeah, it's CPI is CPI, you know? It's dangerous. That's why we're not risking a lot today. If I would lose, then I'm basically break even on the day. So yeah, then that is what it is, you know? Then we have another day tomorrow. Let's see. I'm hoping that the DXY is gonna go up from here. That's what I'm hoping here. We'll see whether or not this is the case. If we respect this level and we actually go back towards these highs, because that's my anticipation overall. I might be foolish here trying to catch the falling knife, you could say, for the DXY. Retreats after inflation. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Nothing is definite until it's done. Yeah, so for MNQ, yeah, there's no way for me to buy this personally. Same for gold, actually. Like, there's no way for me to buy. Could say that the buy would happen here, but then your stop loss would be all the way down here, which makes no sense to me. It's impossible. Yeah, we have another major news event tomorrow. That's for sure. You're right. A lot of news today. A lot of major news today. Yeah, we're breaking through here for the dollar to the downside. Oh, we're breaking through here for the dollar on the downside, which is not ideal. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. We got the new hourly candle coming in here soon as well. So it could be that the next hourly is going to give us the bottom wick. And then it's going to move higher. If that's the case, we can still take some of the money, out of this position. It could also go a small bottom wick and instantly fly up and take me out. We'll see. The DXY is pushing again. If we hold up and we break back above the monthly open, that would be really, really ideal here. Especially because we're such an extreme for the current day. Let's see what oil's doing. Yeah, oil, it should also break up. It's not looking favorable at all, to be honest. You could say, yeah, to a degree it looks favorable. If they want to support this low, you have a break higher, right? Then you have a short-term high and coming back towards that high. But we'll see. Because right now it's pushing higher, way higher for gold. Yeah, everything looks bullish on gold. Yeah, we risk it for the biscuit. It didn't play out here. It could still do it though. You never know. We got a new hour and 2 minutes from now. It could still do it. Oh, it doesn't look like it though. What a push up here. I think I'm gonna get taken out here. Let's see. Yeah, was it an unnecessary position? Yeah, maybe this wasn't the best position because of the DXY. Not supporting it as of yet. It's still holding up on the DXY though. Let's see what happens here. It would be crazy if this is gonna be a double top, but yeah, I don't think so. We'll see. You never know. You never know. It might. That would be really lucky if we can survive this. That would be really lucky. Maybe just grabbing liquidity and then dump. Yeah, let's see, bro. Let's see. It's not looking like it, though. It's not looking like it. It looks like it wants to take the highs again. Yeah, I got taken out here. All right. We're back at where we started. It is what it is. Back at where we started. All right. So, was there a buy position opportunity here for me? No, it wasn't. Yeah, I guess that's just what it is, right? That's just what it is. Do I see anything for NQ? Not really. We had the buy opportunity downstairs, but it didn't happen downstairs. Way below. If this is the top tick again, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. DXY swept the lows to the downside. Let's see if they want to move it higher from here. It's a good question. What are you guys looking for today? Are you guys still looking for anything for New York? Especially for New York session? Are you guys looking for any potential setups here? For me, it looks a little bit iffy. I would say that the longs are still valid, but yeah, it's like there's nothing for me here to trade it or base my trade off, personally. At least not for me. This is like a nasty top tick if this actually goes. But yeah, we'll see. Look at this. What a move, guys. What a move. Welcome to the Discord community. Hope you're doing all right. Welcome. Hey, you guys are awesome. Look at this. You guys are legends. I really appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are doing good. You guys are making some bank here, so that's nice. That's really good. It's good to see. Yeah, instantly bought itself back up again. So I think this is the bottom wick creation for the hour. What would be the target on gold is the question. If this really wants to continue pushing. That's an interesting perspective here, guys. Previous month's high, maybe, potentially. You can't merge them together, no. No, you can't merge them together. Yeah, we're buying ourselves up here for the DXY, which is interesting. I'm wondering, guys, whether or not this is going to be the flip over, and we got top tick for it. That would be crazy if that's the case. But I don't know. I'm a little bit iffy here at this current moment. What if you have 250k? No. There's no such thing as putting two accounts together, then you just have to buy the 100k. Yeah, so we swept it down. Yeah, NQ is nothing for me. Let's see what happens here for the DXY, guys. Sorry, I'm locked in for a little bit here. Trying to see what happens. I'm like really like contemplating whether or not they want to go down. Because it looks like it for me as well, that this is just a sweep of liquidity before the actual move to the downside here. But it's a bit iffy here. If they want to break through the 9 o'clock open, I'm looking for a bullish continuation here. Hi, Thomas, back from lunch. Nice, welcome back. Welcome back. Let's see what happens. Can we get the higher push here for the hour on the VIX? But and get some lower price here on the Nasdaq would be nice. That would be really nice if that happens. I don't know though. It's a good question, guys. It's a really good question. New trade? No more trade. Yeah, I took a short here on gold. I got top ticked and now nothing. So I'm basically back at where I started. I have a slight profit on the day, but nothing major. I'm wondering whether or not this gives me an option here. So it's a bit tricky at the moment. After CPI price action slowing down for sure. Just wondering what's gonna happen next. Yeah, again have a bearish divergence here, which I like on the 5. You guys can see that. So I have a bearish divergence at the moment. I'm wondering whether or not it's gonna hold though. That's my main concern at the moment. It's like whether or not this actually wants to hold and go back towards the low that was set on gold. The DXY is selling off drastically here. Insanely hard at the moment. So we could definitely see gold rising. And maybe we should just continue targeting higher for gold and not look for shorts. See what happens here. If they break through 9 o'clock, I might look for a long here, guys. Especially with the DXY sinking like that. But it just depends because they're holding it down at the moment. MNQ is not really doing anything. I wonder what's gonna happen here, guys. I wonder what's gonna happen. I truly do. Who's still watching actively, by the way? We only got 66 people left. I love you guys. You guys are awesome. If you're still sticking around, I truly appreciate that. It's awesome. Awesome. You guys are still here. I really appreciate that. I see a potential long, but on gold at 4,418. Nice. You guys are still here. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, interesting movements here, guys. It looks like gold is ready to like sink off a cliff here in any minute. That's what it looks like. It's just a bit of a mixture here. A bit of a mixture. Could also be a buy up here soon happening, but it's just standing AFK basically. It's just hanging around doing nothing. That's what gold is doing right now. Yeah, it's just AFK. It's just AFK, not doing anything. Let's see what gold is doing here. Yeah, nothing's really happening. Nothing is really happening here, guys. Let's see. Let's see if we can get one more trade in for today, and otherwise I have to call it. Because if this wants to just continue not doing anything, I'm gonna just call it for what it is. We're buying ourselves back up again for the dollar, which I find interesting. This means there could be a potential short play coming on gold. But yeah, it's currently not doing anything at all. Same for MNQ. The entire volatility in the market is gone, guys. It's gone. All right, let's see. Selling through here for gold. Did I have any opportunity for entry? Not really. Got a new 15 coming in here soon. This could be a potential entry. If they come back up, I could look for the entry here. Bias. Currently on gold, I'm looking for sells. Waiting for my potential entry here, though. It's a bit of a tricky one. I don't think I will get my entry, to be honest, but we'll see. Yeah, really nice push up for the dollar. Yeah, dollar's pushing through. It ticked me out and then dumped. Yeah, it's just, it is what it is, you know. Happens. It happens. You're like my NASDAQ commentator. Yeah, nice. That's awesome. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. I still see this bullish. Yeah, you might be right, bro. You might be right. At this current moment, I'm preferring shorts though. Purely because of the dollar, with the highs left on top. But it might just be a pullback for a flip to the downside. But I think the numbers are more bullish than bearish. So it was a fake move in my eyes. All right, I'm gonna try and see if I can catch the top of the next 15 here. To trade it back down again. I'll let you guys know when I enter a position. Like, you know, today I'm trading on my phone, right? So I'm trading on the phone. But I'll let you know when I enter. Tomorrow I'll be back fully on futures. Tomorrow I'll be back fully on futures. So it's on the screen. Long on NQ. Yeah, not for me though. Like, I don't see the entry. Find it a bit tough to enter here now. We're so high up that I just can't enter it, bro. Personally. The VIX is looking good for sells though still. So you could say definitely that it's going to be a long here for NQ. Just not for me, personally. Let's see what happens here, guys. Do you like more futures or CFD? Both. Both. I have myself a 50k IQ Capital CFD account I'm trading with right now on the phone, which I like a lot actually. I've been trading it a lot the last couple of days. I actually enjoy it because I can trade on my phone. I've never done it. I've did it in the past. You see what I mean? So I did it a lot in the past. $970 is my goal. Yeah, I think that could. I think definitely that could work out, bro. No reason why not to. Is there any for value gap? So messy here. Alright, let's see what happens. Gonna draw out the open here. Let's see if they want to validate the top wick and break through. Then maybe I enter. I think that's a better idea here. To enter when they flip below the 15-minute open and we use the top wick of 15 as our stop. I think that's a more valid trade idea. Instead of trying to catch the top here. So I'm going to wait a little bit here, guys. We can also see that the DXY is selling off heavily again through the downside. So I think it's a good decision to make here. I just did something that I shouldn't have done. Alright, here you go. Yeah, you can see here that we're selling off to the downside as well here for the DXY. So if this wants to continue selling off, then there's a big chance that we're going to keep buying again on gold. We'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens, guys. You never know, do you? Let's have a see here. We get a nice reaction here for the DXY higher. Let's see if this wants to hold up. If this wants to flip and push, that would be nice. What are your confluences? DXY being oversold, right? Overall, we have an NFP wick on the DXY that has not been retested yet. So you have an inefficient hive here for the DXY on the NFP. 8:30 from Friday. I want to see that come back there. So that's the main reason for me to look for the DXY to go higher. And in that assumption, I then look for the shorts on gold here. All right. That shorting gold against the dollar. And of course, mitigating back down into the wick from the CPI. So those are the main confluences here. Let's see how the closure is here. Expecting just a continuation play, basically, right? Not in yet, though. Not in yet, guys. I'll let you know when I enter. Got my phone ready. Nice. Well played, Peter. You longed MNQ, right? Well played, bro. Nice trade, my friend. I'm entering gold now, guys. So I entered the position now on gold. Stop is above the current 15-minute high. Targeting it back down. My entry is a little bit higher, so it's right here. This will be my last trade for the day. If this gets taken out, I'll be down slightly on the day. So, yeah, we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. As you guys can see here. In the position. So, yeah, let's see. Good luck. Yeah, I appreciate it. Would be nice if this is a driver, so it's just like a heavy movement. You can see how the DXY is also pulling up. So if the DXY wants to continue, that's beneficial for us here. But we have to see this happen, of course. Easier said than done. I'm also trading gold right now, and I managed to catch the liquidity sweep. And my eye is also on the lower wick, and I just put my TP above it. Nice. My gold long got wicked out right at the bottom of the CPI wick set. Yeah, that's tough, bro. That's really tough. Can't win them all, my friend. Can't win them all. It's a nice driver. Let's see if they want to drive through here, guys. DXY is flipping bullish, so that's good. As you guys can see here, the DXY is flipping bullish. So that's really nice. Let's see if that wants to continue, though. You win, so you lose some. Yeah, 100%, Leonardo. That's just what trading is about. The thing is with trading, is like everyone tries to claim that they're the best trader in the world and they never lose. But that's just not the case here. If you have a 60% win rate, you lose 40% of the time. And you can't know when those losses will come. Those losses will come, right? It's just how trading is. And that's why trading is so hard. You need to stick to the plan. Accept that you lose sometimes. It's just what trading is about, my friend, you know? Got a nice displacement though. Salim, welcome, bro. Hope you're doing alright. Hope you're doing alright, my friend. Thank you for subscribing. The dollar is not really doing it for us as of yet, but let's hope it continues. Oh, nice displacement down here. Nice displacement down here, guys. Really nice. Let's see if this wants to continue. Yeah, really nice. Look at that. Oof, real nice. Alright, I'll be covering some of the position here, guys. I'll be covering some of the position. So I'm taking off 70% right now. Alright, nice. First TP is hit. And the rest is on break even. Let's see if this wants to continue. The DXY is not really doing it for us yet. But, I mean, it's overall already a really good position if this continues. So the rest is on break even here for me, guys. Gonna leave it running. So I took off 70 precisely at where it wicked up, so that's nice. And I leave the last partial running here. Took home $100 there. That's nice. That's real nice. That's a good take on gold. Yeah, nice. It's a good one. Let's see if it wants to continue, though. Yeah, we have the New York Open here in 3 minutes, guys. So make sure you manage yourself here. Manage your position, guys. Otherwise, yeah, we take home 70% and we're up overall on the day, so that's perfect, right? There's nothing bad about it. It would be nice if this indeed sells off and makes it a little bit more of a substantial move down. Regather some of the wick here. That would be nice. But we do need the DXY to follow through. The DXY is not doing it for us at the moment. Which is kind of upsetting, DXY, baby. Why you do me like that? TP hit. Nice, bro. Well played. Hey, Jessica. Alles goed? We got the news, New York session coming in 2 minutes here, guys. Manage yourself correctly. Let's see if the dollar actually wants to flip to the upside. That would be better here. It's holding around the monthly open now. And let's see what the New York session does here, guys. You know, the New York session could either be the driver for the continuation down for the dollar, or it could be the flip. Expecting that these highs are the target here, then I would like to see the gold going further. But yeah, we're at break even, so in case it comes up, then it is what it is, you know. Goed met jou? Ja, zeker. Elke dag boven de grond is een goede dag, hè? Let's get it today. Yeah, this will be my last trade most likely, Jessica, for me. I had some trades today, like 4 or 5 or something like that. Up overall, so that's good. This one could be a banger if it goes. Just need to have the New York session backing us up here in 30 seconds. And if this take us out, yeah, that would be sad. Let's see what MNQ is doing. MNQ is just rising. For the guys that bought it, well played. I saw no reason to buy here. Like, I did not see the entry. Let me state it that way. All right, we go. We got the news. New York Stock Exchange open in 1 second here. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can survive. Ja, dat is een goede keuze, Jessica. Af en toe is het ook gewoon even relaxen om gewoon te kijken, je weet toch? Even niet, je hoeft niet altijd geld in te zetten en shit. Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Can we survive? It's creating the top wick now. The dollar is selling off a little bit, which is not nice. Still alive, though. Still in this position. Let's see if the dollar wants to buy itself up. This will be a really nice respectance of the fair value gap here for the New York session. If it wants to sell off, of course. It looks like we're about to sell here. Yeah, there we go. Really nice. Really nice, guys. Let's see if it wants to continue. Let's see if it wants to continue here, guys. Are we going to hold it down is the question. We need to push through the lows again and just hold it down there. And the dollar needs to back us up as well here. Come on, dollar baby, do it for us. But yeah, let's see. know. It doesn't seem too good as of yet here, guys. You never know. You never know. It could still do it, guys. It could still do it. We need the dollar really to buy itself up if this wants to do it, though. Ja, precies, ja. Gewoon relax, toch? Een beetje relax. Niks aan de hand. Alright, it seems like it's gonna go now. Let's hope so. Let's see if we can get that breakout to the downside here. Do it for us, baby. Do it for us. Get me that breakout to the downside. Still playing around. Testing back into the New York Open. Yeah, we're also buying up again or selling off again here for the DXY, which is not great. It's not drastic though, but it's definitely doing that, which is not ideal. Still holding it down though for gold. A break through 6 would be really nice here. A break through 6 and a sell through the lows. Obviously. Obviously. Yeah, really nice. It's looking good. It's looking really good here, guys. Awesome. All right. Seems like we're selling it out further. So we had the 70% taking at the lows. Let's hope it wants to continue. Let's hope so. Or not. The New York Open is gonna be a wiki one, or are we going to deliver? Baby, tell me. Like gold is like toxic eggs, guys. Like genuinely. Let me take another sip of my coffee. Seems like we're still not doing it. Is any of you guys in the cell with me? Let me know. I wonder if any of you guys is in the cell with me. I need some positive luck here. Need some positive luck. I am. All right, guys, come on. Let's manifest it going down further. Let's manifest. Close your eyes. All of us close our eyes. Here we go. I manifested it to sink down within the next 25 seconds. Is gonna obliterate everyone to the downside. 3, 2, 1. All right, never mind. I tried, guys. I tried. I'm sorry. I did my best, okay? I did my best. If it now goes the other way, that would be crazy. All right, my powers didn't work. It did the opposite. That's actually kind of sad. I should have just kept my mouth shut. Fuck me. You gave me a pump on the ass. Glad it worked out for you. It's not working out for me, though. Fuck. Did trading view for anyone? Did trading view lag for anyone today? Mine is lagging, but everything else is fast. Yeah, that could be because of CPI, bro. Bless Pura Vida, welcome. Oh, nice. Here we go again, baby. Or not. Fuck me, man. Just go already. All right. All right, the DXY is really pushing up now. So it would be nice if this lovely, lovely, lovely goalie goes the other way now. Goes to the downside. That would be nice. Time to go bullish. Yeah, well, I hope not. I think you're in the long. That's why you wanted to go bullish. I'd rather not, but who knows? Who knows? You might be right. You might be right, my friend. This is the way on how it's holding itself down. I'm still preferring those shorts. For now. Because it might not go down. The dollar is like pushing like a rocket right now. Come on. Give me like one more like spike down so I can take some more off here. The 70% is not correct actually. I did calculations. I took off 60%. So we got 40% left running. One good wick to the downside and I'll take off 20% more. I need a good wick here. Give me that wick, baby. Come on. Give me a wick down, baby. Come on. Yes. More. Sink it, baby. Like you never sunk before. Do it for me. All right, awesome. I'm going to take off 20% more and leave the rest running here, guys. All right, we're actually up pretty good for today. We're up pretty good for today now because of this. Thank you. I appreciate that. We're up pretty good actually on the day now. Let me have a look. Today, yeah, I'm up $505 now because of this trade in total. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Baby, I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for doing this for me. All right, 20% more, 80%. So we have, we leave some running here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Fuck, man. Hold it. Don't close it. Now I'm holding the rest. I'm holding the rest. Yeah, I'm holding the rest. If DXY really wants to go here, we have a major position, potentially. DXY, I'm looking for 99.904. So, yeah, until then, I'll probably hold my trade here on gold. So, yeah, that is the target for me, guys. We'll see if that wants to go, though. We'll hold on to it, and we'll see how much we can catch out of this market. If this is the play here, that would be nice. Let's see. That would be nice for the guys that are running. So, yes, I still have a position left running here. Okay, we're up. We're still running $50 in profit. We're risking 0.04 here of the initial position. So yeah, let's see. Close it, 500 plus. Nice, bro. Well played. Really nice trade. Congratulations. Oh yeah, you guys remember, we got a video that I got sent over that I have to play when I win a position. So let's do that.
All right, chat, we just hit our target. Unreal. We got this, chat. Time to celebrate. Let's go. Get up and dance with me. Woo! This is how we win. We got this. To the moon. Keep dancing, chat. We're crushing it.
Yeah, buddy. Awesome. Nice. I'm not going to play that every single day. No way. There's no way I'm going to do that. But I just keep enjoying the video. It's actually pretty nice. It's actually pretty nice. It's actually pretty nice. All right. Let's see, though. Let's see if this wants to continue to the downside, guys. It's crazy, right, guys? It's crazy. It's coming back up again. Climbing itself slowly back up. Gold really is a one of a kind today. Let's see if the rest is gonna get taken on break even here or not. Looks like it at the moment. Like, what a push back up here, guys. Yeah, it might also want to wick down again. You never know. It's been doing it over and over again here, so I wouldn't be surprised. And otherwise we get taken out for the rest of our position. And we call it for what it is, but yeah, we'll see. The dollar is rising like a crazy maniac right now. Not really getting the follow through for gold yet, though. Ah, here you go. It's wicking again. It's wicking again. Yeah, the dollar's rising drastically here. Oof, yeah, look at that. Look at the dollar here, guys. The dollar is pushing like a maniac. Let's see if we can follow through here for gold. Strong push. Yeah, let's see if it's strong enough. It doesn't look like it at the moment. But you never know. You never know. Just chilling and waiting here, guys. Chilling and waiting. Especially if the dollar starts selling here, then we could definitely see a continuation play higher than for gold. But yeah, for now it's not doing it. We got a new 15 that just opened up here. It's not the best 15-minute closure if we're in sells, but we got the sell pretty high still in relationship to where we are now. So let's see. 15 going down as well here for the dollar. Question is whether or not this is going to be the bottom wick for the top move. Let's see though. We're buying up again for gold. Are we going to get taken here for break even? Looks like it. Still alive. Still alive. Barely breathing here, guys. Barely breathing. Still alive. And still alive. Oh, my entry was a little bit higher. And I got taken out for the rest of the position. Alright, that's it. That's it for me, guys. So, yeah. I'm up overall 500 on the day. Yeah, nice. Alright, that's it for me, guys. I'm gonna call it for what it is. Yeah, I'm personally still thinking it could go down further, but it really depends on what the dollar does here. The dollar is giving a little bit of mixed signals at the moment. It looks bullish, but it might not do that. So thank you very much for today. Overall good day. So this played out pretty nicely. Had 2 trades. One of them got break even after all, after we took profits. Yeah. Let's see what M&Q is doing. Yeah, nothing for M&Q for me personally. Nothing to trade at least. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you very much for today. Was a good session today. CPI, dangerous. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you want to join the Discord community, feel free to join now. And make sure to tune in tomorrow if you want to win a potential giveaway. We're doing giveaways on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, thank you guys. And join the free Discord community. I appreciate you guys. I'll speak to you tomorrow, okay? Stay safe. And have a lovely day ahead. See you later, alligator. As you guys know, in a while, crocodile. Thank you guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely, lovely rest of your day. Alright, guys. See you. Ciao. Ciao.